FM.
Nim sensia mi doji. And I was me bukesi. One and I was Sunday. Majin was Shirano. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. And I was Sawasoyanso.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Maakye ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Namudochi Namudono Nyameba bi pega ne sawa sona ya sori awade. Hey 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 what's that neighbor wow Ebra ya katra Mr. Meko unconscious.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Maakye ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Many should say me no. And you back up any see me. Ah yeah.
Ahinkai FM.
Dia watia sia ni bepega ne nsa wasoro anwamado beni odo beni anwamado beni oba panyamenya kwesie anwamado beni odo pajidie kasamini Yesu atena menena nantiu Mafaye. Do we have some worshippers here? Peja one sawa soya soya ready. Sema moye sudinwa. Wana dina mebo. Sema moye sudinwa. Wana dina mebo. Sema moye sudinwa.
Wane dina mebo Sema mo Yesu dina Wane dina mebo
Sebode wakuma manwa
Oni ubeye Sebode wakuma manwa
Anaji Wode ubeye Sebode wakuma manwa
Yesu ni ubeye Sebode wakuma manwa Sama mo Yesu dina Ina dina mebo Ano face Sama mo Yesu dina Sama mo Yesu dina Sama mo Yesu dina Uno bafo
Mami
Otisa Iko ewiye Odikwa ewiye Sochi ribo Eribo mia Oh yeah me The car chichifu Oh yeah me Oh yeah me Oh yeah me Mommy
Oh yeah me on kunu goribu Why na nimnyum na tuwambia nano
What is that? The choir, yeah, or the choir, you. Onsa, Trada. Anopei. Jesus. Hey. Oyamika. Mommy.
Say what breath such riba.
Oyamika ready. Oyamika ready. Oyamiyo.
Michawa Ofori. Buka wusia.
Anopei. Metsuwa sidanyu. Na me kamfu. Jesus. Yehovah medo. Ufiye snapia. Jawa ko. Kamushia. Anopei Obuoba na me. Metuwa sida wunyum. Nina kupone. Da. Yehovah medo. Yehovah medo. Yehovah medo.
Jesus, we are Jesus. Body never Jesus.
Tremendina. Hey, Jesus.
See, better for Jesus.
Hey. Hey, wona watoye na mwode. Wetia yaka. Hey. Wukuto. Eye wukuto. Namawu. Hey. Wado no doso. Minamie. Wadu nusi. Anopei. Wamaya sebi. Jonyamie. Baby, I will be able to do you. Peter Radini. Manidini so. Lift up the banner of God to the world. Worship God in your spirit and in your heart. Jesus is Lord. Lift his name up. Glorify him. God alone deserves to be praised. I don't pray yet the radia say. A free afim fit yase. Any baby ready ya bedru. E buru adwene nti ase so. The radia say. Free wa kuma mu nyina da. Free we nipadua mu firi wo nipadua mu de awurade ase baabi awurade de wa beduru eboro adwene ne ntiase so wanya adwuma ansa na won se ka eya dom bi na agba adom so adom wura na dom na agba adom so anopa ye de awurade ase my savior anka hwan ye ko bisa no obisafo ne hwan na ye kwa kwaje anu ye de afiri hwan ho otiasefo nyankopon no wasan ya biem odi adom abo adom so eje nyankopon oba nyankopon hon kronkron nyankopon no anopan so aye ne pe yakan tiasefo ho yakan tiasefo ho tie ubu naka no a ene eye me ne de to so aduonu enan 24th of May 2022 nanka yen so ye ne hwan obi se ye ho nkom se ebeto ye nsei a anka nyade anka ye begiadi wajimia anope yeda wasia nesewu minyankopon iseye ogwamweni otufwe obuoba mabuzo medawasio minyankopon eya mina wa ye mi seye enkrofo krasa otu kwan ba obekotena ka mu ka ne mfane nkoduru ena ne nansa na madamfo bi o kire se ne maame eba wo mo nchen maame na wo mo nchen abese na wotwe mienu nie afe na maame na krasa o koni nchi abusia maame na kra se o koni nchi nkokọ maame ne kona ne tinya ne ya maame ne kona ne nsa nya ne ya na ne yem nya ne ya na ne ba bi mu ne dwe ekwamu suhum kwamu heya maame na konya akwanhia wakra ne mase me kɔ wankwa nkoduru minum yenu empende do se ne yentena ka mu se yetu kwan obi beka tro so no ya na wotena ka mu a wonkwa akirikyiri eni nti ka akwanhia ye ka ho asem de nya de ebeto no tie ma menka asem nkyira wo enche ye te se free aboabo kɔ dan kwan mu heya ka bi nya akwanhia anu nti betimi ato wo ba bia ni wogidie pa se sa maame ni onim se okra ne ma ne se ene de me kominti ena wonim se suhum kwan mu obekọ akonya akwanhia menyi ni se nka maame no beto akoso se wo kọ abusua ya na ye nim ne ye yen anim eni nti se awurade de ye fam na wode ye kọ no wode ye ba eya amoma ye mfa so asedam fa ma no wate maka kire se enye automatic se o koda eyo automatic se wo sa de chew da bi eye miracle se obekoda na de chew eye miracle eni nti se awurade ma ne to sa bra eya na wajai me ya brantie me ya babawa jani nyina mu fa to fam ne fa se da fam oti asefo nyankopon no language bi obetimi dia da awurade ase eya na waye ne sa oso na wo chen wonyina and I pray from the bottom of our heart we say we thank God for how far he has brought us. Baby awurade de yen abeduru no eso yen ani. I don't know of you but maybe there's so many because se mi bu nkom poko hamachi na me hwe baby ana yen wo na awurade so yen mu je yen tata na baby odi yen abeduru ni a na wase ye dia asida de ma sa nyame ye dia ye me awurade Anopa Ewurade yɛda wase. Ewurade baabi a wode Ghana abeduru yɛda wase. Baabi a wode ɔman yi abeduru oma yɛse yɛda wase. Ewurade baabi a wode ahenkan FM abeduru yɛse yɛda wase. Radio bi ba afe pepepe na gu. Ejmefo kra ntimi ntua wonka. But Ewurade sa story we. One man no anya yen story. Anopa yi wo ma yɛda wase. Anopa yi ahenkan FM yɛda wase. Eduru baabi na radio afe na aba foforo. Po wa yesi po ne se mabu. Na eye birum se po no abu de na nkyese nke no ano no. But say Ewurade ka wo ho a. Ewurade ka wo ho a. Obedume no. Na nia wo be sira ye no nso. Yehovah se wo be sira no. Hey. Yeah. Oshe wondi. Hey. You about chinkrante. One more make a cansem. Yehovah si wo bedu me no. Yan hwede Ewurade bɛyɛ wɔn. Wo de pa akonya tena so. Na hwede Ewurade bɛyɛ wɔn.
Ghana adisie. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ate ediba ahinkan 93.3 FM.
Okay, Granta no. Hey. Ewurade aka wona dubo. Weni ewamo. No de wo ba. Anopa yi. Say ni nyame na ma yenzuro. Eto da bi otisi obi ewu na obisa asem esi ye. Ha owu ye. Yare bi e bo no asa yare na ebi bo ebi to. Asem bi e to no. Won so sa asem ni bi to. Nanso Ewurade yi wa firi mu a. Okasa wo da Ewurade asia wo beda na sia ma ade ache na ade asa. Abusiafo Anopa yamamu nyina tibium yamamu akwaba ediba ahenkan 93.3 FM. Your most authoritative socio political and current affairs talk show. Anopa insu yasatna say for God and country. Yeah baba sumo my Ghana. Afena odu fide na to anu adwumedi de bramo no ya to din se Maakye. Abusiafo mo put this together. Udi ahenkan Kwame Yaboa being the executive producer, Jempahini Kofi Mensah called BK Kwame Asante or Heneba Maakye. Billy, a technician on duty. Or Fremi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Anopa insu yasaba. Yebeto some kesian su free sabre. Ekopim se non do ebebo. Matching any jumedi anything. Anopa ikotoku meya matena se. Wadwe nchiro de ba back in kind 0594841044 0594841044. Yako tuzo riwo yenso ya ye unyame lema na wudi umoja atoye anopa yi ayenka tiefo nyina ma tiefo nyina uya kasi Yenso ya ye. Unamenema. Udi umoja. Ha! Na toya. And I know pay you. Jesus. Yes. I don't pray with you and can't call me a say all glory to God. I say dominancy. We shall praise him always. Udi and can't call me a boa. Achimwada independent candidate 2024. Eddie Brown Jr. will say, I love this station. Tell your boss I want to work with him one day. Don't worry. It's a dream. It will surely come to fulfillment. Sorry, I no pay. Adwa Roberta, Mrs. OK FM. I say good morning, team. Ahenkai. One man in Saswa or there, Radiasi Adwa. Baby, I will be a Radinka one no pay. Adwa Roberta Bium, I say Bishop of the Airwaves. Piao. I don't pay Kotoku Mayor Martina say. Maakye said we work with the Spirit of God and the angels of God. And into your barn or panwa baby a angel no baby a bofo no beka say aha no mo na ene awurade pesa wo de fa no. We just have to obey the Spirit of God and do it. And pray ba me ba ye within this 30 minutes no. Me ba sa me be da awurade ase me nka hwibiom. We are just thanking God because say yetena se ne ebu nkompon ko hwe yachi baby awurade de yem free any baby odi ya beduru a we have no option say ye be da awurade ase madam awurade aye bia ma wate awurade aye bia ma memfere so odi ase da de be ma no memfere ye wa henkan ha de ye memfere san se awurade ye di ni yie oni ye di ni yie Jesus.
Father, we worship you this evening,
Ghana Adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ate Ediba Ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Mose Maakye Bibi yame. Jesus. Ubamano. Cristo. Azafuno. Mose Maakye. Can I go down? The microphone here, my man. I mean, go down. I have to kneel before God this morning. Jesus. Cristo. Asafuno. Mumose. Animonyam. And when you see a friend saying, scratch Kobe, Zemfi, or say Mayor is in the spirit. I tell you, we listen to the voice of God. Adwa Roberta Bium. Or say, may the Holy Spirit direct your path. Eastern morning voice. Nelson Owusu. Or say, Mayor is in the spirit. I tell you. Meme dia studio mu ha no. Makomi nkoto dwanim. Sansa makai ne awurade aye. Babia na ye free. anka yɛnso ne yɛ hwan sɛ yɛtumi ne mpanimfoɔ yɛtumi kasa ma mpanimfoɔ a wɔga na tie yɛnso ne hwan awurade yɛn adi ne yie ɔne yɛn adi ne yie. From January, February, March, April, we are in the month of May. Ayesenshe ni musa urade de yebekɔ or the yebeka or the yebekɔ bosasa seneso. Anopa if you believe biya wakome mu urade na fase da fama ni din urade aye bi ahenkai de ye gidi se urade aye bi. Sang said the foundation of the station is built on God, and therefore we believe in the Spirit of God. We believe in obeying the voice of God, and I pray we thank God. We have nothing to do this 30 minutes but to lift God up, to thank Him. And I pray you ready. I say, you don't say, Cristo, hey, Jesus. Animonyam. So God bless you for lifting up my spirit this morning. My soul is rejoicing and praising God. Where you see a friend of Kwabena Steven, also Obuoba, in fact, I'm blessed this morning. May God bless you. I say you are more than blessings. Yatsi, that's it. Where you say, my soul praise the Lord. As long as I live, I will sing praises to my God while I have my being. I don't pray we have nothing to do. Within this 30 minutes, men can wear dan chrew. Men can message de ban chrew. But the amede ban na ya seda. Aye. Jesus. I wish to send Kayabaya sad way and but time will never permit me. And into my hand, I made a seat, I had a spouse. And the Atwaswama. But I no pay. Quenya. Now what the radias why? On my knees, thanking God. May mana atiasia say, many sodi away, many sonia radia. I don't pay a radin kayan home. Gentle Jack was O'Shea all the way from Asante Mantem Abakumedi. I don't know where Buakwa. A radin coming in Amaho. A Jenyan Kupono. Or Banyan Kupono. For Kunkunyan Kupono. May the was sending sa ene. Oh, Kone Oba. May the Seradinsa. May the Seradinsa. Me you free car quenchiamu. Me you free car quenchiamu. Now may the was say yes, Sunsa. Me the wound ni mojadimu. When you are safe for Mubayan Shira. A radia domino some famamo. adansidie enye mu fie kasa ewe Yesu dine mo ofra me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo kotoku meyo anopa yi ya beto osum kese no so ye the sports and ya beto so e dia ma o erade adom no so mfa ma o itumi nkoso anya kese ewe Jesus Christ dine mo enyan kwaku o say Obuoba is in the spirit. I tell you, you can as well do same. My first person to us. Yanko.
This is the moment we're waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's sports time!
Openi.
Chairman.
Apumo kodi e.
Bibia boko. Nkasenka. We di nyumi e ubi kakra ho matum na mso mafa ya kakra.
Sa ho.
Emse na obi a wo spirit ni.
Obi a wo spirit ni mo ho.
And anapai we paje ho.
Sa.
We paje ho.
Sa.
And sana juma de na sitie. When sometimes so fifi na oba o plan so ba ye but e be do na bibia sesa. Sana juma na tie.
Sana tie.
Esa won say esa o ye unique, o ye dynamic. O hwe se nya tawi na isi ko na. But onim say ya de a na nura wia no wia se utie show no na etie fom tie show na ye case bi wo hanum concerning ye Kotoku Royals any Kwando Auto Flyers game bia omo ebo ya point no as ebu akemu no nura ye sorry so a ndi be se 1 hour kra na
omo ebu ama ehefo
this is a point na about the Kotoku Royals
omo ebu ama Kotoku it is Kotoku da hefa
Kotoku is on the table no.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How many matches? And aka
3 matches to go. Or 1 home game, 2 away games.
Really?
Yeah.
1 home and
home,
2
away.
It is omo yiro ho a omo betimi akọ Premier na omo kan.
Yes, omo yiro baby a de na du ne de. Omo yiro ho a Operation Premier na betimi aye adwuma.
But so omo bo we ni wi omo say ko top 4 so then they are now friends saying.
Yeah, no, Division 1 league. That be we omo bo Middle League. Bo we now top table na wa qualify ko Premier League no, but GFA DBB by last season no me fan say top 4 of a Division 1 clubs ni nyina but no mini GFA nya adwen.
Oh okay.
I didn't know team no since ya bo ni qualify ya bo league na wi a wa qualify ko Premier de you nya qualify kwa de Premier team onye Division 1 team bio so nyame kan do no say what ya bo league na wi Kotoku Royals LED defense table no or ye Premier League team onye Division 1 league team
it is all qualified here was say
yeah nje say bia ye ka se bo Division 1 Super Cup and I say Super League enye so obeka ho because ono di kan qualify ko ni Premier League.
Oh okay. So I was employing for me protesting ya woken.
Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, on say.
Mami nya on eja twas.
Yeah, and me no na best sports ni to the men free mo.
One men sports no.
And I said that me we say first church Kylian Mbappe ni Man City go hand but ye dey no beto one man san.
And na ye kese.
Yeah, be go deep into Kotoku Royals so mo say instem but the kind of maame fast that Emma new Bafan Herbal Center the endro mi ensana ababa kudin de new Bafan Herbal mixture edro antibacterial dro eboa Emma ene emema enye fedi agro ebia typhoid fever na etete wo ayem stomach ulcer na hawa dwen kidney failure afi wo no na se oyoba wo no ma na se ko afichire na oti ya na se ne no moja na nsheda mba ye ya mepacho wedu no eno a ene new Bafan Herbal mixture jibina bobo betimi aboa na fi bibia enso etimi akoye edemabu wonu so osende no ono de mpasogro no ne kondo so bedibi in fact we no oyare na oyare inti se ontinka no ne no na se onfili se mpasogro ubedibi a mepacho wedu no eno a ene new Bafan Herbal mixture ujibina boba ebetwa na fi libido no epaja ne kama na so atenka no watibi na bibia enso etimi akoye edi ama afa new Bafan natural capsules na enso aba edro yedro na se ahwema jatum se eye no ma enkofo ha bia enso embreo edro yedro na se eboa mema male general well-being esiesie mema boa mema ye ya enye fidiagro esanso male vitality afi low sperm count ubon madwan ndi onimbo obebabo na so faso de emfa bi embre ni nyane se ne command dwuma ye no ewo fom tende no tutu a na se ontimi enkuma boa unya edro bi na so bobo betimi aboa na fon command no so etimi ahyemu kina na bibia enso etimi akoye Edi ama afe we expenses yare na etete wo na se dwuma ye okroma na eya na ano hyepa ye bitimi gina waso bitimi tina sesa we na eya na justice yare ntine no sisi yare na u face a wadu no unya eye new bafa na track caption na wo betimi aboa na fetu ase edi ama premature ejaculation obo no ma na se dwuma no ode bo no enche na wagie mo impacho wado ema emwa edi wato graphic mankofo kenkan mema sade enye okodanda ko na koje new bafa natural caption na bo na bia enso enko fine emfa ema afi bafa malamis enso aba malaria na hawadwen tete wo ene aseko echina na aba mpacho duro ebetimi abotu ase one time de ma no eno a ene bafan malamis ebia otina epa wona tiesi usu a anasele no general body pains na u face a eduro no eno a ne bafan malamis fe number na afi nchemu aka nyina no G15 penifo number na 0240581585 0240581585 and I say 0553-511-501 0553-511-501 and I 0208-233058 now nimpeni for enso edi enkomo ay available of pharmacy shop bia chemical shop na herbal shop bia no benya bi ato wa chim danum dia o coachmesi drugstore afia mafo pharmacy Kennedy drugstore chiniba ns ado nyina no do ni chim do benya bi ato na bibia enso etimi akofine enso edi amount afe big Sam phones enso aba big Sam phones no ene no u pe phone ato phone ene no na se betimi abodjuma da ma no eno a ene big Sam phones akachi ebia techno phone na opato Infinix itel na se iPhone from iPhone 6 ekopme 13 Pro Max bi na aba benya bi no ato na bibia enso etimi akofine edi amount ebia onso TV na opato TV no from 32 inches ekopme 75 no brand bia ro ri chemu akachi a yeton bi bibia onso betimi akofine edi amount ebia onso swap na pese ye phone kita on kita watch na se TV no wa hwe a che pese osesa na risk kuma bi ka ho a wo de ba akachi be san edi amount no bibia nso I find am hwe chi akwan ya burger fish anase ofa JB na bronson kese market score hon na behu ye fe number na fe nkoma aka we chi nyina no yendi number na 024 287 2049 024 287 2049 ofram nkoma aka we chi nyina no yebedi na bibia enso etimi akofine edi ama avabo yan sha se femfi ha. Yeah, me no na ye and I should anya bibi gidi
I see. Ma menchia or dance citizen.
All right.
Or dance citizen sa no pay. Ya me just so animu.
Yeah.
Tinya menka no ho.
I no pay the fire na no dey.
Yeah, the radio.
Se mi wie na se obey bi the gisem san so ba.
Oh, na be na adwuma wie.
Aba na adwuma wie.
We me try bi mu amia na me bubo me tiri mu aye ne ma bi. Le gu me ho ani mu ase.
Intawo Yanko case ne so.
Okay.
We disciplinary committee of Ghana Football Association and a game against Kotoko Royals any Panduat of Lions Division 1 League game so na match the 18 and a so Wakimo Dance Sports Stadium. Na yebekom na mpanifo mtena ase a omudi case no papa ndin ede osei kwadwo adoa esquire ona no ejom training chairperson edema sa committee no mo etina ase no afi Emmanuel Nikwei enso member Nathaniel Lai member afi Lauren Ababio Crab enso member afi Elsie Nana Echampon enso member na afi William Bossman ono so secretary edema sa efense committee no na se omo etina ase no nti yanko na afi all right okay proceedings no obo se na sikoye a game against Panduat of Lions any Kotoko Royals na match day 18 of the Division 1 League no
okay
na ebaso na Kotoko Royals e chire ma sa game na cost no Heart of Lions for mo fele on qualified player bia na emra eman ho kwan se game na so yes na so oyede obo sa game no ntom de asem na kodan disciplinary committee na say GFA no omo so mu koti ye I'm sure echina ewia ye more time ti e behwe na fe ye ready
so ma kutu sa no mo we no
omo article no mo ye nyan ye ready their mom na so article a omo ekoti ye no aye article 56-3 ewo aye status of GFA omo FN status book no enumu no mo hwe so omo gina so ene no omo de proceed sa case no na petition ene no ono de na asem dan GFA no Kotoko Royals ana o na opese obeyi ano no Pando out of Flyers into the chema game no course wie no Kotoko Royals de kodan FA say omo player bia ni din de Abdul Mohamed Musa Abdul Mohamed Musa no se number 2 jersey on that day Monday 18
you say omo ye specific
and
chere baby a
yeah so the asem no kodan FA say onya ngina so pitin ya betimi abonsa asem ya u kan de nokre no eno anie nipa na bia na onye qualify so bo game no nipa nie no se jersey number say
utimi chere ni nyina e boa
at least say otimi nya picture crampo de ka ho so what I say
any Kotoko oma ya adwuma
pe nia ede boy a FA nso dia boy de club na ya adwuma pa enya gudi and omunya pe nia reporter aba no omutimi gada sa nyoma no nyina ede koma FA na mo Chesa Branty and de Abdul Mohamed Musa no se number 2 jersey on 20th March 2022 game ne bo wadan ha ya Kotoko Royals and Heart of Flames ne boy na Branty na ensem fata say so ginemu boss agino so oye part of Lions team
match no
yes inti omode say samples bi bae samples no say na Kotoko Royals e ekoma say GFA omo say match day 2 of Division 1 league no Hearts of Lions and Vision FC na boy and Hearts of Lions and Vision FC boy the player no onya yellow card and that's onya card was sa say game no mu from there omo san so any Kotoko Royals 4 year boy in match day 3 and your first round match day 3 against Kotoko Royals ya player na san so enya card was sa game no mu firo no san so any Kwabi Brem United and so boy wo Saturday na ya ha inti eno so no player no enya say card ewom it's not chese the next game e da nim no player no enya card atwa so miensa in 20 million jinemu embo game omne Kotoko omne say ada no omne team Akosombo Crystal Palace na ebo inti sa game no player no SV one boss game no nya part of the team against Akosombo Crystal Palace cause na wanya card in match day 2 against Vision FC, match day 3 against Kotoko Royals and after match day 6 against Kwabi Brem intina oye sanction na oye tem fata say so boss game ni bi and no Heart of Lions for the on the emra no adwuma am against Akosombo Crystal Palace no wa mbobi inti o serve sa ne ban no honom eto aso player ya ni din Abdul Musa no Mohamed Musa no in match day 13 Heart of Lions any susubribi onya card eto aso ko match day 15 Heart of Lions any Akachi All Stars onya card
na Branty so ne ho wonsa
match day 17 Vision FC and Hearts of Lions osaso nya card omo next game no against Kotoko Royals then send for say so ginemu ebo game no edema Kotoko Royals
oh okay
so what you say
okay
there's when you 3 cars na to
nya card na wasa wo serve
esa wo serve one match esa wo tena esa wo part of the team won enye se o kan team no ho kra ha udin ya pia obabia ebia se bia o team ne kwakọ na person join bus okwohwe bidia wo se o join as a supporter
o konso wo se o kwotena babia
supporters yes so kwotena babia supporters etino you don't have to be part of the club no bibia obabia enye se odin ko bibia so but sa game no Kotoko Royals ebo ha no player no ni din ebo ankrata so
obobi
pe ne wa ha no de o tena bench
but
now you're part of the team officially.
I see.
So what I say, it is a boy you see one ball, not a part of the team. Kotoko Royals normal way am the coin say na play ni din ewo team sheet no so. Inti mramuno na ensem fata. Obokotu articles any regulations bi a combine sa we nyina eno na chine buy ni nyina beba because of say time nti no my embrace so na yenko. And what now and I say per reporter one or tina bench edema club no. Wabra picture evidence ho bibia so eka ho na oti bench o number 2 jersey e de ma club no intina esefata se Kotoko Royals etro e de kuma FA say you play bi org Hearts of Lions wonya 3 game wonya 3 offense cars atoa so ensem fata say so boss game no but o betina bench e de ma team no intina say o mo tro de kuma FA na punishment ɛwɔ hɔ ne adeade ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔmo de ma ɛyɛ Boboku Andin ɛde ɛyɛ Kotoku Royals nti wansɛwo saa one match ban no Kotoku Royals ɛgada ne evidence nyinaa ɛde picture offense evidence ɛka ho ɛsan so etua sika wɔn sɛ wode offense asɛm ɛkɔdan ɛyɛ offense disciplinary committee na sɛ GFA ɛsɛ wotua sika bi ɛde ka ho a ɛno no yɛ fee
ɛno no for documentation in your no
yeah nti Kotoku Royals etua ne nyinaa ɛde ɔmo bibia de kɔma GFA from there no ye Kotoku Royals president o masem awie nti ɛsɛ Heart of Lions so ɛba no the defense ɛba ɛde nti player no na ugidi se player no na ɔyɛ
akoyɛ sɛ makɔ GFA mpanimfo hɔ ɛnum si agye nim adi me bɔne
yeah
wayɛ me ABCD ɛwɔ sɛ mpanimfo nso frɛ wɔn nso no nso ba ɛbɛyi wa no nti Pando what's wrong with the saying?
Pando Heart of Lions.
I'm not know be you man.
I'm not know be you man.
Oh, okay. So I'm buy no saying.
I'm buy no. Ne am de buy nie. I'm say player no. No mo ye am Heart of Lions for no. Am ye aware. Am ye sure. Say player no na oye suspended. No is suspended that. Ensem fata.
Am gia tum.
Am gi tum say player no dey oye suspended that. Ensem fata say e so boss game ni bi. Nanso na person mo yi player di fi team sheet ne so na so mo bunya network fault o mo ba ha nim say no o mo anasa I don't know baby o mo yi o mo team sheet in the buy no na o mo nya network problem enu nti no amboa ama mo ntimi anya dai enyi player din amfa mfi o mo team sheet ne so and uro ni chiema eno ene o mo way o mo de buy
say me ba say mo ko bobo na mo submit team sheet no soft copy at the GFA.
Yes.
Nti already no na GFA no so wo sa evidence na e kyerɛ ampa soft copy amo submit ye no na player ne ka ho
na player ne ka ho nti sɛ ohwɛ omu defense first we no de buy na we see India defense Hearts of Lions FC admitted that the player was suspended for the said match and the club was duly note that it was unavailable for the match. Intina player na unavailable for that match. But per no di ba ha no. Omo say na omo nya network problem.
I see.
Eno ntina player no mentime ni di film no. Intina
as at the time na omo compile list no omo refi omo ho.
Yeah. Inti player ni di be shemu. Abra ensem fata say player ni di ebe mu. And open all the bad down finding of grounds of decision no Jeffrey so ebe ka kanyama bom awese nsem na o ka no eto asum en no kre the articles bi combine na de hwehwe onsem mu a asem na o ka no se agitum ana se I mean ya twen aso wo ne awaye ni mu and according to that no GFA me boatra na mako GFA akire ma o say before that no before the game no nanka if some you sure say a mistake na aba nanka betimi notify officials that day no e bi omo grounds nanka omo hwe say sa game no betimi akoso no nanka betimi official mo betimi a notify mo aka twa mo say player we dey o card na nso nya mistake nya internet problem ti yentimi nya dey on ka ho but a mistake ni dey pm e team sheet nti yeyi ni dey mfiri mu. So what I see. From there no, but as so approach GFA actually say player way or your caution ni din on ka ho or suspended or sack him. Yeah mistake.
Your person can sign so e free
but network. Yes, network problems inti on ka ho. But man timi anya ne saa.
Inti the back and forth of this whole issue ni nyina ne say GFA tie. Na omo chese Kotoku nsem omo de bedan wo mo no. Abawum and inti yebu ama wom inti yebu ma wom ne de ne ye ma wom
meba Kotoku offense GFA per report na ba bonta na say verdict na ba bonte no omo chiro bibi with red offense ink ewo mu
na wo kenka ba na hunu red ink anje say yesu na ekasa inti we hwa na ekasa
automatically GFA na ekasa so an unqualified player omo kotu article bu on ma article 28 28-2A no Division 1 League regulations omo koti ye no omo say an unqualified player shall not take part in any match of which he is unqualified to play. Inti anya say we part of team no kra but per pictures any reporter Kotoku any koye no player no sat on the bench. So what I say. Imagine say what they why mistake. Player didn't appear mu. But the players also bet na bench at the club no. It seems say Boapa na say I mean ebi identify we ni so. Intenya sa internet we now dey eba no.
Say bia no mo feel say Kotoku phone say that smart sa o mo be hu. Because say teams no mo bobo bibre no a omo administration say that yes effective.
Yes. Inti eno mo hwe so a omle sa decision we eba bonten no. Na decision no
ebra ni nti yanko decision no.
Yes, ebra ni nti yanhuri nko decision no eso. Ase one that the protest filed by Kotoku Royals FC shall succeed.
Okay.
Internet say
Omagiatum.
Say sa ejina because of say Kotoku Royals produce evidence based reports or the buy no Omagiatum. And two that having been found to have fortified with match Hearts of Lions FC shall be considered as having lost the match. It's because of say where you should say player no say Hearts of Lions no per decision buy no omo elusu sa game no with 3 points 3 goals na 3.3 goals no so 3 no estate clear say sa 3.3 goals no yeti arama Kotoku Royals.
Okay.
Inti sa 3.3 goals no ya de 3 point no ema Kotoku Royals asan the 3 goals no e da kan Kotoku Royals ehun. From there omo say so mutua an amount of 2,500 Ghana cedis. 2,500 Ghana cedis.
Can it can 25 million?
25 million.
Omo de ma hwan?
Omo de ma GFE.
Oh, okay.
And echo GFE no so no. GFE be for half. Na Kotoku Royals and so half a half of Saskana. 25 million no mutua.
Divide ni enhwe.
Yeah.
Enipa me nu ko che 25 million.
25 million. Divide ni enhwe na Kotoku Royals enya.
Say enka 2,000 kra no a.
Na ko bi enya
1,000. Ene no match 5 ni buso no.
25.
12.50 anamba.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Inti
I say 1,250 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
And will be a benya. Kotoku benya no. Na GF nso enya. Oh, I see.
Na Saska no so no omamo deadline eso mutua within 14 days. Within 14 days eso mutua sa amount of money no
25 million.
25 million no. Randy they say 25 million they say that
obeti ya.
Oh, so unipa onim no. Randy
Fando na ne dia. Na say GFA yi. Wait.
So you integral part of the GFA.
Ke team ya Randy.
Ni papa.
Randy used to be me no.
Na be o mi ano.
Sa.
So then dem run ayo. And dem run so per enra interview ye no. Kotoku Royals PR catch here say emre ya hye ono kan on ye hye.
Oh, okay.
Inti sa awe odi ani awe. But ni body pan so any offense ket. So that say ket adwuma ye ni adade nyina no Randy eka ho. And abo say ukoma 14 days na so mutua saska no. So man tua from sa 14 days no eko no. From sa 14 days no eko no. All matches ni nyina no if so man tua ebe sanctions beko sa o matches na ka no ebia punishment beko so ohonum so
ebia me no kase kra Randy na Randy obone oye ne nsa se kra wonim nse no obetimi
25 days enye sika bia since no any last part of the decision na eba ye no abo say Kotoku Royals afili say ebia 3 point da man no nani nso inti say bia opese man 6 points 12 points a obetimi atwa appeal e dia ba say Jeffrey Martinasi and mom make bibia mo de verseviness aba na mom ni amode ba ye no
Kotoku
ya 3 point no pe ni ankofo aye ne de article we se mutimi state na se e de na kwan mu a
o mesa de bi mu aka mo
ye pe 6 points ye pe 12 points ye pe 1 point da ka ho ye pe mo go se de ka ho se Kotoku say okay with that na se Heart of France so enya okay with decision about bonten na also betimi appeal within 1 day.
Oh, okay. Media me futu as Kotoku mayor futu a me ma Kotoku Royals ne se kwantia musuo so ade ase na se wasem ode na wa ankrakra ne yi a afi utimi beje won etimi beje won nsem ma ho be ye hi enti ye de dia mom na ye 3 matches omnyire wo mo ho ombetimi adi nkodim se nyankopon petio se nyankopon pe se wo so mo qualify ko premier no se de omo aka ho asem dadaada no a ebebam se duru ba bi o ma leader so san na fe ba bi o ma bedurei eye
sisi o mu lead table no o mu lead table no first quarter was 56 and 57 56.
56.
56.
Ba could be me here. You are done a chilling so 55.
Yeah, it's a 1 point, 1 point difference between Tema Youth and Liberty Professionals.
I see.
And because the 3 games now, Obobono, this weekend, Obo Nanya FC, and your last home game at Obo against Nanya FC. I say Obo Nanya FC, we are Kokobo Uncle T United. Ewo offense Ganaman soccer pram.
Okay.
We are on it Tema Youth to Dinachino. When to Dinachina with 1 point no. So what I say, on no so Ebo home game ewo Tema. The 3 games are aka ewo Urani Chima Kotokurias Animuno Senate City against Nanya ewo Odan Sports Stadium this weekend and for Bako away against Ankuti United no asanso about Tema Youth ewo Tema Sports Stadium.
But so is it likely say matches na can on betimi afem?
I'm sure say matches na can on betimi afem and so betimi afem a omu hia obi support. Si say be a club na do no omu on the point to qualify.
Oh.
Sisi a baby a club ni ejina sisi a Kotokurias Premier yape the Premier board there.
But you almost drained
3 games to go.
So munya support na.
3 games. I got 3 games.
Na say no independent Odan MP. Odi a nkan ye bi. Of a car.
Yes.
Emma supporters. Eja na yakobo mo no.
I against Golden Case.
It's one tete so MP ni hwan fu omo why. Say honorable Akwesi Akwa. Why be that?
Last season no ye be. This is not why I stroke akabet. Omo so motenase em say nima bi wo ho ma core em say kotian kakra nti omo tenase but omo ya show.
Baby omo duri there.
And no me can we show no so say from the word go no and then omo started esikrom. In fact say in toast single tomato bakukra na obetimi da boa club na omo ba fadum wo.
Where operation finish hard. 3 games na can there. 3 games na can there. E can home game omo born this weekend we no. In fact, I see a Philly Stadium no. Omo say 5 cities pay. No me 10 cities bet because say we last home game omo nya support. No me team that qualify according no. Omo nya 3 cities pay. 3 cities.
I first 5 cities.
Can one say
3 games no. 3 games na. Only 5 cities pay.
Okay.
In first a game on home against first Nanya FC.
Yes Sunday way.
Sunday way no.
Oh, too bad. Me wa run and come Kobe.
Nka say Kobe. In fact, I say ina kra yako. But once when akwa last home game mo ebo in the season. It almost so munya support no. Massive support embra so your bow ya kwala uye pani opeso hwe game no na behwe na bibia nso entimi enko fine emfa emaenti se na proceedings no esi etie na betena se article ni adade omu ekoti ye be wura mo na aferi nchiemu no enso ama etie fo yi
enti ma ye mo Kotoku management na baso se omo entimi omo antena ase
anya nhwe
na omo anya nhwe ha nka o ye kwa enko baabi enti we na nsan ye dia omukọ ya boro opoku no eno to so omukọ ka ho asem
mai omesan ko the same grounds last game of the season ya bu opoku no opoku dia no ebo no cry evidence kese enti eno so omu ono so omu ehwe na omu ko protest ya no so hwan ya opoku so what you radio so a na adwene say wi ase nyina hye ne nsa ekranfo omu say ekwe I tell you somebody don't offense don't know that if you are boy I'm going to tell my no say aha atwalala be do aha dia we be ma be bo me ehwe enti Kotoku omayade management na yade pa o katachie ne omo akaka ho nyina omayade ba bi o madu no finish hard enti MPC ne esikafo na mo wo yem block ha no Kotoku meyo anopa yi mensa da mensa ye mesremo obi anyi bi ma eni betu anamon with players no any officials no I'm sure some be including central force okrom na yi na etu anamon fe players no ba bi adroi omo tie management ne ntai wo maduane a ebe boa be mo mahoden amomatimi adi nkodim era meka say aduane ebe boa ahoden wom so ade na fe mesrewom 3 matches na aka no obia nya na adwene so obebe ne yire ana ne ge so ade sisi ya de me no ansanya botre for 1 month enya hwe Yvonne Nelson for 2 years also oni obi anya yida oh da be menya sure na ntu ntumi metime na fi identity no nya sure Dabi abo I don't know baby no kra na make tell no I don't know baby for 1 month 3 matches na ewu mu no
player biya man girlfriend.
Adentia.
Nya hoden.
O dabi ano.
Tie meba. Enya hoden nko akeke. Ebema wo ho ate wa awurade anim. Tie.
O yiri na wale na ya.
Anya hwe.
Dabi.
Ala, me se nya hwe.
Your place bia
Na place ni o ma ebi ma ware.
Ebi mu.
But o ma ware no so.
Bia.
O ma ware no so, Enti yesre wo mo men o mo guess no mo. Me mo men wo mo. For 1 month hwe ma. Ye ba ha woni mu ayi dudu anie. Masa.
Oya.
Ya na so de ko ne.
O asem na kan na ko beke na.
O say.
O asem na kan ko beke na.
Me place na asem na me kan sisi ya.
Okay. But
tactically. No cry na me ka tell no.
Yes. Tactically uban football ma. Even sometimes coaches be one man we training we are. Catch us say ko performance an your man. A man vital clear sometimes bibi uni
na uni ayi of friend saying ahoden a sa de ni si a
football we dey next week and I say china yani coaches be kasa o dey ye beti o mo say e be a player going into a match
me two o mo futu papa no hwe de o te ha no ma wo so kire mu
there be yeah e be futu papa dey fine so that say fine e bu one ma sometimes players no omo dreams are you crucial game so I have to stay out of but ebi won so omo boboncha make say going forward no so omo kobo game na so omo ni omo wife na so omo kan for an have affair omo nya good game
Otamaso
sometimes your players no baby on record one make say just Kevin Prince watching. I said any time kokobo game bia on any wife be have affair no.
Yeah, can play I atete the Ghana ha. Enya brochire.
Meba. They all train. Omi na ya football they kukuru na mobo. So that say.
Yeah, kwa wi asase so ha.
Yeah.
Kotoku ha na ye tie no. Aduru ya dwuma. Aduru. What you say? We believe in sa spiritual nyama no. Yeah, hide Kevin Prince what use one on baby what here there.
Meba.
Onu snow mu no obobo.
Your place be one ma. Omo feel say omo kan fo no omo ye lucky to the extent say
do sign o ma be confide in you I will try so be PR work am o me
there be PR work na me ya dem o na me ka say going forward no e bia o crucial game bi da nanim o crucial game bi do manim a ebi mu afili say I have to stay out of my wife and you no ni believe so that say ebi mu so
okay yen stretch no omo enware ye no me mo me omo girlfriend bosumi say ye
da be no kran ye
Otamaso sorry ko
Iji ya si mini ade Joshua Kwabena Janim Joseph Nigeria boy we pon kuare eboaye afero ni chiema Foster any Roman Ashete unya boy ensem ne di bejao ye so captain in the morning Obuoba Ofori Amanfo sisi ade oye Kotoku mayor oko offense Nigeria omo uncle you from say Nigeria so kro no state for na
omo ye governor
okay
omo dey governor
Kotoku mayor Kotoku mayor bibia ka Kotoku aseka ho bibia
ni ewo hu nyina wo chire mu nya asem ana wa akọ aso
So
Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM. Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Saba. So Psalm 38 minutes after 7 live on Ahinkana 3.3 Jumedi Agusu Awutie no di Maakye meeting Obuoba Ofori Amanfo the Commander General Ensroja Bakwayaka Kotoku Mayor anope ya tena se me ba to ma me fa wie mo bra ne mfa ma o baby ene ade ne to fire no ye ntumi amfa ma me fa ma o na fa ye mfa de aka mfa nto aso. I am so happy today because Jeff Kunedu Ado edi ne birthday. Kai ade hey tie Oba
Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Oba. Okay, mama fa ewie mo brand fa ma on said ye kokoye no ene wo kire se eyade a ensu no ebe petepete kakra we poe mantem me ya hodo no ebi ene nti ya no wa hye ne nso e de mama efri anopa yi akopem anwumre no o kire se ensu wo wiem awia no nso bebobo kakra ne nanamu a but ensu no ebe gugu ene o kire se ensu no ani e wo fem ene nti ya na wa hye ne nso e de mama yi. So a glorious happy birthday going out to you, Jeff Kunedu Ado.
Breaking the egg with Jeff Kunedu Ado is highly possible.
Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Jeff Kunedu Ado.
Oba.
It's the region.
Oba.
The people's Jeff.
Oba.
It's the region.
Oba.
We are breaking the egg.
Oba.
Jeff Kunedu Ado.
Oba.
The servant leader.
Oba.
The humble leader.
Oba.
Obiaja.
Oba.
It's the region.
Oba.
Obibajeke.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jeff Kunedu Ado. Today is your birthday. Live to be 93.3 and of course and beyond. Oba. Oba. Okay, mami fa we ntwam. Na fe yemfa de bon krata mo so no nto aso emfa ema ye wie enwom no wo be fili. Jeff Kunedu nwom no wo be fili pa, don't worry. Wo be fili, but baby ya dro no.
Wo da chinti.
Me twa ne tawu. Ask God for wisdom to make quality decisions every day. Ask God for wisdom to make quality decisions every day. Ade bia wo ye wa abrabo mu no, e wo se wo tena se na wo mpa esre urade se omo wunyansa. Na fa tu anamon fa si aginaye a ebeboa wo. Enkrofo bebre si agina a agina no so o si agina ne wi a na wanu ne ho. Wodim die ntia wa misa urade. Ena no wabra Filistifo no ebeto Israel for no so wire betor wo mu nomu be fa wo mu adwapade nyina di so no David ba ye ne yam hye no obehwe niam a Filistifo no aye no ene okwa awurade ho ko bisa ne nyansa se awurade enkrofo yi o ma beto ye wire no ma be fa ye nomum o ma be fa ye adwapade nyina wo de kɔ no awurade den ye nye wom ye nti wo mana Bible say David inquire of the Lord na asem we Nyankopon ka kye say pursue and you shall recover all anopai decision bia agina bia wo pese wutuo no eye bisa awurade ho no mu nyansa why memfa wo pe emfa nteki any decisions wo do wo pe take decisions de bia wanim begu ase aware mpo bisa awurade be men waba me bɔ ne ho mpaye ye mu dodo sen na ye betwe mpena ye de kwa awurade anim ye nye na emom kokoware ne wie na wo hya asese wo pa usutura o kwa awurade oso wo moa wo me pa kye wo da chinti always ask God for wisdom to take quality decisions a ebeboa wa brabo da bia bisa awurade ho no mu nyansa David yeye awurade ka kye ne se ko ti won na ne wa be fa ni nyina no mi awurade mesan de ama won anopa decision ben e na wo ba beteki na mi bisa se wa bisa awurade ho nyansa ana wo pese wutu kwan sa na awurade ka wo pese okoye adwuma bi sa na awurade ka wo pese ukoware sa na awurade ka wo pese wo ya ade bi sa na awurade ka na o da chinti ask God for wisdom to make quality decisions every day. Awurade nka yen ho na na adom no so mfa ma yen ho konkron koso ankyerɛkyerɛ mu mfa nkyerɛ yen we ye fie mu ye ka mu ye dwumam babia.com a wodi tie yen Awurade nkoso ankyerɛkyerɛ mu mfa nkyerɛ o de ubon krata Dabi maniyasa
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo
Dabi
Ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM
Mate say ya happy birthday to you Jeff Kunadu the biggest birthday present I de be ma on ani say Nyankopon ya adom a memene da delegate ye NPP mu omo beto abana ma on omo beto ne bom amo ababe ye the regional chair happy birthday Jeff Kunadu Ado the humble servant the servant leader the unifier result driven nyamenka ho miyanko for the bon krata mo boso ye wie beto aso mpani ma chia mo mpo mboko de
Boko nso e.
Nyame adome nso me ho ye papa me ho ye na kwaku wo wofa
Wofa.
Wofa wo ho
Ba ko ye immigration pani pa. Ana ba ko nso ona minimum pensa dodo. Pensa too much.
Kwaku pa o pensa
say. Na mamenga.
Dabi.
Me asa anu mi si onchi. Na nkwate se mani nye ho. Si e kan okwam na mpe be kan obi
bedwam. Yate but the time bi sa no ye wura kwadwo osu afiri ye. We agya no fa asene mu adwapade enti na agya mi bi sa wo fa unse wo kwa santima mu aye se wo fa bewu amadi ade ye wura kwadwo osu afiri ye wa dead papa se ampa ofa ebewu ama wo fa asenum adi ade na enra making kind will no me wo asumasi wa ha I bequated to Obintin me wo plot no
and
ai me am wo fa eji sanity ne ade ne wo fa yi na ne yemo ye wo fa yemo ye pa adwapade no so wa che ne square ya ma obi anya bi a je se busia no obi na unya document ni bi won me pushia ma me pushia ma no so wa go through adwapade sika cars adan nsase wachama na busuafo o de bi ma ne ma de bi ma ne nuanom de bi ma ne wo fa asenom unso wa ya ade pa enkofo so mo ntia ase na me so me nti wo mo ase yi enra me consult lawyer bi ese dia ekoso social media so about radio ni TV so ankrofo kan no is it the right thing I say obi ne private wheel and a why so that say na ebe nwanwa say ye be leak obi ne private wheel dia beto abonten say ye nkamu asem
mimpomenti bida
say see ye ka say some of them say Achimota Forest mo say Ramsey ne wetland the war Sakumo no ne yeka ho mo so wa aban asase a anase ye nkrofo asase a what is obi abase ya wia na asase so obi anka se ya wia na asase obi anka se ye de by force afa na asase enti me de no nkwa de me no mo nyadwen me no mo nyadwen so onipa wawu na ne will ehimfo kra ne be liki be da abonten no eno the question was yibisa ehimfo a yanya de kwakum frɛ nante a
awie anapa no so aba community aduanan wɔtwe 748 arismama ya momachim makwaba biem edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM so de bonkra tawdro badwa so ene ede na poso eba besom headlines the insight de bokra tanam de hyase krate bo amane se ahyenkafo wo Ghana buofo aban pa amade akodu ni se won be ye oye kire pa na so ye chenzenke nipa nkombeka so obo naked won be oye kire anodin e de akire aban esan se fango buo kosoro dodo ana mo de so afo hwa kwanto nsem so olumunyafo kwaku Ofori Amanfo ni atoya no sei ano nso e kan nsem hu bibi e won nsem the insight ene de aba ahyenkafo buofu entombe demonstration kane prime minister ne baba ye fra no Nana Frema Buzia enso atoto nkra bi de ama aban ya NPP aban omampani Nana Dodan Gogufo Dodan no se adenti na wo mo ya adwen se ejapade wo mo san de ba ena ma misi dabi eni kwa sa aban ye san sua no po eni kwa so plan mpo da so san de ejapade ba eni ontwema no ena wa che na adwen a che no simple ewo de obokrata ya to din the insight mu ene anopai
the daily statement da obokrata na busia ya de to aso na se ya de to aso de anya nanu ada abrantia ba kwa wo wu ye ewo nkranza abrantia abet donko ne ho nsam da se ja week ya se ayedin kakra na da obokrata dia ba se forensic expert bi kwa akoye ni wole mu hwehwemu na yahudi atua mu ankasa nkofo mu hwe nyame anim no open sabatiko ebo abrantia yi etuo ye bedua mu ahunu safo no na emra no eni wo madi ni say fenchem na you start obekaya 2022 budget ni mo ena Ghana fotosanfo Ken Ofori ata na tade fita jene mpabwa black jene nose mask jene chichi ebe jira Ghana brase be defie kenkan we na you start ni pie mu ayete ba babwa emamabunu no enya adwuma aye tese edisika kakra bi ba emabunu no bottom na yese aban no edi aba betu dwa ya watch se enche bia wonom ebepa ho ntama ehon sam eda ha se enche hanom papa bi eda ha se na ni kotu na afeye pa na wo hwata ya bia mu a ewura mpo afeye pa Dr. Ernest Addison ono ene ye governor Dema Bank of Ghana bog papa yi ede ensembia tudwa ya wo kire se Ghana ye den pa nkofo akeka se Ghana ye den nanso se ya ka se senchre ni bia da di a kire se Ghana esika seb no eba bete apo na encha no wanso no se ye di sika esum $200 million eba besha enyoma bi mu enyoma de ba behye mu ane se Ghana ha se enso to a eyiri fire ndodo enti sasika de ba behye na enso eto abebrebe ya eyiri fire ni nyina da enso ebetimi aba form kakra enti the daily statement kakra ode ba ye ene anapay enono
the new crusading guy the worker tanam de to asamo abusia na krata dia ba se National Petroleum Authority NPF sanction oil companies dodona ezanza woman fam raso endi dwuma bi yesi petroleum any third party trading bi womu edi sedwa no woman fam ra kwanso nhihye egu akwam no woman ndisu woma tomra enam so ma wom dom boss emfoni abeto NPA boss emfoni da say na ni abrepa o chese womu be sanction woma sanction po companies makomako dodo na oil companies the new crusading guy the obokrata emfoni na this sanction we na aba omafo wakwatia krate bo amane say womabo district police commander baso pa se wahwe amasomdwe agina ne naso ewakotia ane ne mpeso aso na owura Dr. Akoto Afriye a oyo so afọhwe enuane ane kwayon semso yesi ni opponent bi a attack ne matesanya asemketoa woma attack ne pa manya asemketoa wo etifido mantemu ni na flag bearership a womo epese womo kuyi ehonsem eno no dem di wie e the new crusading guide man opeye NPP amonyo ko no mra hye bi a osanso ye minister onumnyafo kwaku sapon nimfoni danum se na krate se MPP minister se si atoba ne MPP very poto one very tan esansa mamwonu enkoye MPP minister mu akani pempe was in pempe oda nje so yatongwanta ya pai pempe oda nje
pempe odo abumi jein
ai pempe odo abumi jein so yatongwanta ya pai enti NPP minister wakani pen atra ban se amamoni nkoye no waheye na ne yekase yetoaba obere poto the new crusading guide emunsem
abusian for ya the daily graphic da obokrata no na etwa so on de no krenkwa won penhwehwanim bia no kra any ade ne sane esitia per truth and accuracy de biarada na wode abase Ghana na dan kwa kufu adofo ni de edutwam
more than fra omoye
you make kiss your bride
hey
ti na dan kwa kufu ado any Mozambique for one president edi asia wa ha na abusua se kana pe wo pe daily graphic na wan hwe animu a o wa fe yi enfoni na efe na we ya se enye ye na osere kwade a na ya jani udi a ene emu ye na osere kwande ye doso se we ye da we ya jani udi a na ne emu ye pa emu ye enti na dan kwa gufa me hwe se na o me describe picture na kire wa wa omani age omho papa ya wono mu nyina ka omonto ma gbo anu se etwi ka se Russia fo ade a wo mo ya Ukraine fo no enye Russia ne Ukraine fo ntokwa no oyade a esay oman na asia no wanso Abdullah Jenapo ye oswafo no ena hwensa ase fo magudie ene de akeka ho nyina so wode aba betu dwase enche mining hub ye ba be hwe na ye ne kama ye ready kura ya we ebekoso Ghana nti ubetu wani Asha Africa hanu a na ne echesa mining hub we ebedi ehene papa ya no so ade aba na tourism so
okay ya beba tourism no so ma mi nkwa homa no so nkwa twetwe nkomo we mra sisi ya meda se me ne prior so mra hye bedwani Owura Davis Opoku kwa twetwe nkomo ye won potem ho de ye frɛ no OPK ono abo OPK otimi nka no pa yi mamo achi an kan FM so ni hello honorable hello okay em say honorable nshedante yen kanti ye hwese yen sabesan aka no ne yemfa no emra ahoma no eso na ye ne no monkomo kakra okay and then a parliament resume parliament ko omokọ asetena omokọ na omokọ akoto o masendie eso nti ye hwese yen sabesan aka opani no ne ye ne no abo enkomo afa ho nti afia to aso osan ba bi mu ane ye de na
daily graphic da obokrata na busia mede to aso na uhwe asia no mu ba bia medu ya nkobo ba be ye ka ne se interview no afamu a tourism ministry en wo mo de aba betu jo mo chese hwe wonom any city of New York eba be di asiamu ahwe se tourism ministry eba fa ne ntoma papa efra wo Ghana say nentia honsam eda ha no akratan ede aba na asia no wanso African Development Bank for wonom so sam da mo say wonom betabri sika esum 1.5 billion US dollars so they are sure say aduane ho nkwa atwe ewo Africa has say ehon sam da hanom agya kratai ede aba Daily Graphic anape
the finder theokrata na mde to aso na MTN group wɔn see you as answer president MTN everywhere you go the idea ko ya Ethiopia de ye ko ye wɔn boss company ne ne dia ɔse aden Africa ye pe say ya de ho tu obi so nipa nso ya de ho to nso nya bibini enkrofo mu firi aman awodro so abrofo no ne wɔn eke kan ho ɔse aden Africa pe sa de ne sa ana ɔche se sa de ehu pa nti Africa fo ehwe nya wo bibi ye de on tutututu investors to dodo ehu dodo wɔn so mo ye foreigners ɔse ehu ti ehwe enya wo bibi National Petroleum Authority for sanction am de ma oil companies bi no ana the find that they watch mpefe say companies makoma konsun ana mo ho aka na yabo wo mo ka 1.55 million Ghana cedis National Petroleum Authority for say sa oil companies nsun no wo mo ntua kratafa to sunum ana ebo sa amaniwe krata e kire say nyame bu adun bosumi no mu wo mo ebepa you start dwumadi no ntama dwumadi a NPP aban de aba o say oba behwe mamabunu anyanyuma ye na sanso ahye wo mo dinti ye be start wo mo azero akotra ka mu start ntane na ajeso na wo se no ti aban ne be start mabunu no amwo mo nkasa e de ahoden ene ahoden ne America no ape bibi aye na no se on be pound to manya mbo adwumbo sumi no mu sikabo 10 billion Ghana cedis eno mo di be di sajuma mo di frase na no se aban ene stakeholders bi adidi nkomo a won beba sajumadi ase Deputy Minister ese enu a wayi nso yiri fa o lands ministry ena Deputy Minister dia ba betu ja se emfa woni nso ayiri ensaso document na ensaso no document na save
egu computer so
o say o say save okay yenim sa wo so wata na sa wo senso de yenim o say ensaso no document na save Ghana yene New York mayor yesi akabom anya senketwa ye chinja yakabom de bota bom yare pampe na se anwova no emu apija se tam ebibremanu se ni na edwa ebedi aboma ya to din twa ne tiafen AFDB for HSA woma pausika 20 million edi amakuafo womo fansho mu dwumadie mu na entiwahwe bia wo mu face no womo emfentuase the finder the obokrata
da anko ana mede atwaso ama wose wono no wo dan no credit revealing the truth entity ya de nkofo 1 2 3 4 bia guha ene nyasam keto general secretary churchofo pani dibre ya abeda NPP amanyokuo no no yeso wo nyina tu hu America ya wonom ani abre ho mani afekyerem ho pa ya nyasam keto ho nsam da na asia no wese takwa ene Australia takwa ene Australia for wonom ezese wo mo beka bom atu empuntuo akwantuo bi na akwantuo ne de ebefiri mu aba no abusuanya nsam keto wo takwa ne Australia for obetu kwan a wa wani tua empuntu se mo betimi aba na enchan me so kopiam awobotia no hills hono enyoma bi nkoyie nyoba bi enkoyie ne se kan se ba bi omutu kan se gravels de sisi adan bi anwa ne ade de sisi adan na sese ne aye na ehu pa ehu yase weja hono so ka ho enyasam ke 20 we na wose wonom ekotumti no wo hwe no ma shate ne down kra se ne be ya enkofa osu ni adwaju owuo bia ba na wo hwe mfoni o matwa to wonom a ehu ye papa minim so mo de excavator adwura na chese se ne ayi apa light bi da ha se no ehu ye pa
edan sisi so no
enye dan
sa
enye dan
no mo twa ngo tisa kotra tapijo enu etiri na oya no agya bi atawa pampam
galas
kotra tapijo
enti ehu pa ehu ya kratai enso ede abade anko de no
the Daily Dispatch the obokrata nam de toaso na kratai de ne bana caption aba o che say ye kwatia amambofo terrorism ye kwatia wa Ghana anum sei na no na kratai say aban de dwumadie bi ababonten wa pa dwumadie bi wontema ababonten say see something say something campaign na say ye bodawru ya dawru na na say so hu bibi aka bibi ona mompotam unsa kwa na nimpa otum se fufu aye di oni bi awura akwa anim ne bobre hwe na ni ase atum se dabi enframa ye home wanum sei ene ntade ye hye ye life e live ano akwenka wo ye oho hu bibi aka bibi otum za bai wei ne ntade hyem ene ne kasem ne petre ho ye enye Ghana de ni bia hu bibi aka bibi ye se aban awroli see something say something campaign hu bibi aka bibi eche wo ma ewom na yentu anamo yetu amambofo ase owura bugina po ayo sofo hwensa se dwumadie su ozi se John a wonya no baby kwa ye se wakotwa atemota kwa ne baby ede aye na we no oso mo ye mu hwe mu tamanfo nya botere na the Daily Dispatch ebisa se osi democracy aye bia ma Ghana pa na momo bisa se aye bia ma yen kwan bensu eno no question na the Daily Dispatch de obokrata ebisa na pai ne sembi no
enia na mamfa wei entwa so ema wei emi di Daily Guide de obokrata guide no ode abase asante mante boni pa be adua sankron 39 ena sense asante mante mu regional executives no dibra abetoto ho no adeda dampan no wono mo hwapre ni omo pe national wom omo pe chairman secretary ehwan ni nyina wom bi tin pa 39 ena the battle is the loss no wono mayo madwen se wono mbeka bi wo ma no a se nyankopon so de oboa de ho ti the battle is still the lord nyankopon beboa wo mo a onim de watwu so dada eti akono wa moko ya kratai ede aba ni ya se appeals court dismiss wa broskoto atoforcing case no sa atoforcing so de wa hu amani o na encha no wanso say John da ha say John atade ebru ehye no kama oda ha say na ensamu abasa chimota forest a na kana say die ya bank yenim say ensam hyehyɛ adakem tinanse die ba ye si aba atwadi ya na akwafa sansem bo nyina ba yesese John ene we omu on nsam ase onipa bia wuwu a wuja we oto nti ono ne we oni de mu ofe pa obia nya asase ni bi na be 1 acre we 1 jaja wo twitwa ya papa wo chen papa so ema so obia abusuan santen obia nyane de ya krata de abase se John achimota forest ya yese wo de acheche na abusuanfo yi onum ekwa akohwehwa asem ni mu ti nyatra sa aban atesa asem huhu we na obetra ne to so da bi obehwehwem krata de aba ene parliament bekọ asetena womu ko break no na anu ada na parliamentary affairs minister de betu just 24th won beba ena omu de ose ayoyo a ene wonom ebehye womu dwumadie ase Daily Guide ene anopay
the chronicle the worker town am de troso na krate de brofu bia betu onum se ya wa twese Pegasus na no eye ponko a so otu dabi as Victoria bisa abona ase pongo ase abo bi a ose pongo pa a otu abi na tabemu sana omoti every Pegasus na anu ne ase Israel for obi na Israel for wo sa ade ameka wasami na no na so mo hwe mu wo mo hade mu na Pegasus ya fine ana wo mo ade adesede akoto wo mo agi atoni January nim se sa Pegasus na ayira no womunyemu hwemu na womurewure ma no mu ze da bi Pegasus na maton ama Ghana womaton ama o man konkron Ghana ana te sa brofu me otum ze ba ku nanim abreko na ni abre papa ani bre soja na zubro ni utum sa de ayire ene apa ana ba ni on the smile kakro ze ayaya asiawie na mom broni be man say he se de tebia womunyemu hwemu Pegasus na maton ama Ghana no womuhwemu na baby a akudie no ananu ye bia obi na mfa meto wo manim eno ne asem fofora ɛda the chronicle de ɔbɔkrata mu ɛna no pay front page ɛno no yɛde asi.
Oh, I see. Okay. Mudi asi dia mame na se na ja. Yentwa so ewo ha enomo. Happy birthday. Enko emfa emma wehenfa. Okay. So we say happy birthday and confirm Dr. Isaac Fifia Santie J, medical officer Odan Government Hospital. Or say may he live to be 93.3 and beyond. We a free a year or hima eho ena eba ye woni wonu abon kasa mame na yentwa so ewa ha sanso so ena wenzu say happy birthday en confirm on kasa na say good morning Obuoba ene eya me birthday o say happy birthday en confirm Ernest enim aka asenefo nyina enim ba ko pe or say almighty God en koso enhyira me ewe Yesu Kristo diremo. So Ernest enim ayefro asenefo nyina enim ba ko pe live to be 93.3 and beyond. Wakuma so ade erade emma no emremu kama emfama we say obo na the one and only BBC morning show host soon to come. God bless your good work. Hey. Hype yazo. Anyways, ma menkwa homane so na mene honorable Davis Opoku Ansa. Yeah, one prize on important mo there. Your friend OPK. Honorable OPK, what you mean can FM suni ma mo ache.
Mejo so mania.
Wada ro ma mbumba ko there.
Yes, so don be bia boko.
Yeah, the radia say. And then so na parliament mo san kwa setena.
Ata pepe.
Nti wada ro ma ho bo ate sen.
Oh, me no ka say mesimo a. Me nam kwan so a me ko.
Oh, okay.
Hwɛ nim sɛ ɛbɛnya akwanya no na yɛasom Ghana ama Ghana akɔ n'anim.
Enti Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a megye di sɛ memene da yɛbɛhunu nso wɔ Koforidua.
Nyame adom a bɛka deɛ mɛba fiada.
Oh, bɛba fiada.
Nyame adom a bɛba fiada na mabɛda na maboa ama adwumadie no akɔ so sɛnea yɛgyina yɛbɔ mpaeɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ.
Okay. Enti yɛka ɔmo a ɔmo kasa ɔmo atu ɔmo ho asi hɔ nom a yɛma ɔmo 1,000 mpo but ɔmo do ɔmo ho abɔ afɔre yɛ campaign dendenden ɛde ama yɛwura Jeff Kunadu ado a ɛnɛ yɛ ne birthday a yɛntimi nkan ɛnyi wo mfa nsi nkyɛn ɛdɛn na wahunu pɔtee ɛwɔ Jeff Kunadu ado mu a ɛne nti woyɛ campaign dendenden sɛ.
Well, no, this thing really am I no aduma sabi o me nya wo obekaya ebra Dr. Ano regional chairman. Me na me the campaign manager. Me coordinating the campaign ebra ora kwabena Japan general secretary signing the call rounds all the eastern region. And no na me campaign manager. Na me coordinate campaign Dabio atophobia na one open MP withdraw the Eastern region abeboa wo mu nti ya Eastern region politics there me hunu bi ye free ra ya o mapen eba Dr. No eko no bokisi eba bi sample penso we me hunu mpedifo awodo bebre a abeda yekuo ya no ewo ye region mu a we gidi pa say ban say you make a choice me I stand in the very good position to make a choice. Now looking at the battle ahead, say you say oh yeah politician election be the Kobiano, you see it as a battle. So looking at the battle ahead, Nene Yigina Edaya Komaso Afano Bia Kawasem breaking the eight, you know. It is not going to be an easy battle. It won't be an easy battle. It won't be an easy battle. And so you need to put together team one. I am prepared there. One a bit me a lead this strategy. On bit me lead this battle. Ama etim dia ko this to me na I appreciate it. And for me, I see that the Jeff Kuneduado is the right man for the job at this particular time. Okay? Getting kind. What they compare the people, I offer form say the person here regional chairman. Jeff stands out. The part now I determined to be a regional chairman. In fact, 6 months ago, Kwana Jeff Kunedu Ado, Nenuma Epia Bontia, Jeff Kunedu Ado Oba, Eastern Region Oba, the People's Jeff Oba. It tells you a determined person. Now why question the book say why you ready say what best service as compared to Minia Penny Kudo. And ne onu na ne buta yenyina nso obeye constituency chairman. Yenyanuma police station executive say one new grabbing north ekoto abama say omna mayor constituency chairman. Again necessary ya less than 2 weeks a month for Abama, why do you understand Oba regional chairman? So if you compare the two, in terms of determination, in terms of focus, in terms of taking a bold decision, Jeff Kunedu Ado stands tall. And for me, it is one of the attributes of leadership. I mean, me, Sebio, minya accident, and I'm a damn password. Dr. Kwakache said, more 30% chance of working. Adofo bibiri beka chem se min kinsan ma min ko MP to my den kwan e wo mu na sese okoye no beku hu na sese. Even at 30% chances, I was so determined and focused. I will still contest. If I go to primaries and I lose, the crowd that say I have lost. And that is the kind of signal Jeff Eddie actually will be for me. I see it as a form of skills. I was here in Two, in terms of experience, who compare Jeff to others now, you realize here, a regional leadership, regional administration. Jeff, ever obeying him. I mean, this is somebody who has served as a regional secretary for 4 years. And his leadership qualities now as regional secretary, was not only sitting in Koforidua to fold his arms to be doing party administrative work. No. In every constituency, in the 33 constituencies of Eastern Region, everybody felt the Jeff Kunedu Ado fever. And that for me is good. I mean, moving forward into the next election, in here, opinion, that you unfunny sanction in them reform. Opinion. Sebio onfa peshima kese mu no ho enko traka mu land cruiser mu enya na agene se ono de odanso sen ye wo grassroots adofo no bibiri wo ha odi beta de disgruntled ebi wo ha on je MVP ba ye 5 years to 6 years ni nya hwe etino moving forward you need a regional chairman who will be able to approach these persons and tell them say yes, I may be in the same soup with you, and I understand your situation, and I feel that so that we are able to break the eight. When we do that, a woman as regional chairman, this time I'm going to make sure that was at the county. That's the leadership I see in Jeff. Jeff has the ability to even engage police station officers, and that is the kind of leader you need moving into the next election. And in terms of strategy, ideas, say you should to mobilize canvas votes. I mean, Jeff has been there ever since Oba year, even in his private practice. He's an IT consultant, or also a farmer. He has wide array of experience in business terms. So Jeff, for me, presents the perfect candidate we need to lead the region into 2024. In fact, at the point I even felt that it should have gone for national and general secretary and as a national treasurer and BDA. But he told me, sir, his focus is to deliver Eastern Region for the MPP in 2024. And inshallah, we have seen his vision, we have heard his vision, and we are me free price. Into Ubeka say, oh, and in a bia, or in a Funtina, or Prima Jeff. But I tell you, Jeff Kuneduado is everybody's Jeff. Oko Kroboma or Jeff Kuneduado. Ubako Frodia or Jeff Kuneduado. Uko Kiapema or Jeff Kuneduado. Una Mebria or Jeff Kuneduado. Udru Sawama, polling station phone. Ayeswano police station phone. Lower West Akim police station phone. Or the call Achimansa police station phone. Everywhere you go, Jeff has sent a clear signal that he is ready to mobilize and to support the MPP in the next election. And for me, I'm grateful to God that what in the why determine and focus on the. That is why I support him.
Okay.
I support Jeff. He's humble but firm. I support Jeff. He's a strategist. I support Jeff. And I know say Onyankopon hatasuri. Ebe na dum na wa wini memeneda. No be so party no Eastern region. Na all the party akonenim ama yina any aje.
Okay. Enti not me baby bisa question a wan kasa kra I say what tete ho kakra. Ebinom nso campaign on the name say one. O share yen Eastern Regional Minister Ofori Kwawu. And Council of State openi ono so representing ho ono so ye ranson ono so ye Kwawuni. Enti no na enya de a wo say ye sign chairman a ono so Ofori Kwawu e de etum. Ote campaign message bi saa. Wanu yie ne saying.
I mean, I said the weakest form of campaign message that one can ever do. And then, the finance minister on Fichebi, the roads minister on Fichebi, the deputy finance minister on Fichebi, even minister of state at the finance ministry on Fichebi. And no, I say Ghana. I say Ghana.
Onye ni se dia campaign na mo ebi mo afiri ase a omo maso na ase omo dwell on tribal bigotry no ebema NDC fo nyina so because already kra na omo di kan say ope party a omo ye abusua mu nyiyimu ne mefiri ha memfiri ha eye mo party no na mu bi mo ye campaign na ebi mo afiri ase kan sa answer mi enye message na mo dey ma NDC for.
Well, that message in the tone so I mean, it is dead, it is dead on arrival. You see, who say one more early Jeff campaigner, who quite Brima, a branch is a friend to boy. Or no, and I'm busy Jeff Senna, honorable. Now, a branch is the end of I know. Also, say, the hotel crowd, but Democrats, and the customer I am on a call today, you know, a bit channel here. Or no, actually, is leading Jeff's campaign. Constituency chairman I would draw one United John and Tumatua, one movie Jeff in They are all from the different blocks. They are supporting Jeff to be regional chairman. Tell you the regional party administration, should be separated from the governor. And they're trying to fuse together and creating the impression that the party and the government is one. It is not one. We will need leadership in the region that is able to tell truth to power. Now, if we want to box the two together, it is different. Party administration is separate from governance administration. It's immediate propaganda, no. It is dead on arrival. Send them a kind, no. Jeff, no. If you are from place, tell you are from place, you need to be regional chairman. A bit more there, near to be a contest from place. Ama what is about to me in a brain. You Jeff was there, no Namunsumu and Nadu, and no, they are unconscious say on community on Chinko sign. It is a propaganda among for us, I told you, we are looking for a competent leader, we are looking for a decisive leader, we are looking for a leader where I determine what strategy or where would that to be able to mobilize resources. We are looking for a leader, Obuoba, leader Ohunwa, Obechao, and Wasre, Asusosumu. That is the kind of leadership we want. And then they'll free at any, they'll free at it. Not the two candidates in the Africa. Honorable Kujo, Ebejina Ko catch them delegates, many polling state constituency executives, so also Oya Kowini, now look at Oya Kowini thing, Honorable Jeff.
I see.
Yes, I'm telling you. So if the two of them are from Kowa, then let's select the best out of them.
Okay. Baako a awoma san de namo a yatete bie omo kire se opaninu a ye de ne ba no. Ono de ye Jubilee House candidate no. No so what ne sa. Anu ye ne say.
Me MP Jubilee House and friend in can some more candidates. Now me need to Jubilee House be friend can some more candidates. Jubilee House has don't meddle in MPP politics. Jubilee House, their focus is to look at how to govern Ghana. That should be their focus. Jubilee House, we are determined to push Jubilee House to be successful. But this is a regional party, and I think that we should be left for us as delegates at Ekotuaba. Me 17 executives plus me one test con 19. We are determined to vote for Jeff Eduardo to ensure that we have Jubilee for Jubilee to succeed. The meaning is that Jubilee House was candidate. If you are the name or a Jubilee House candidate, or a failure from the. Like I say, Ukraino, what it takes to be a regional chairman, you don't have it. Everybody should come on his own merit. Skills are one. Put it on the table, let people vote for you. Now, I'm a Jubilee House candidate here. Are you contesting for Jubilee House as prefect?
And no your message. Anyways, sisi aka na fu arbe se 9 awose num na abatfo no edru so campaign no ne ahoboa no himfa na edru na fe yemfansi.
Well, me the campaign there me ni akire me kauna or moko. But my other colleague MPs in some area catch me there. Meaning say Jeff the one here 70% of the votes no. Obet me assessor on that day. I mean, my year politics. Me studying university. They bring my year politics. When the facts are very clear on the wall, you see. I mean, this victory is going to be overwhelming. The endorsement, an emphatic victory from the polling state constituency executives are a woman because they associate with him. They associate with him. They want somebody who is humble. They want somebody who is a unifier. They want somebody who will work with the rules. Not people who don't even respect party constitution and want to do things on their own. No, we need a leader who will work with the rules because you see, certain stories should never happen again. Akwetia should never happen again. It should never happen again in our books. It should never happen again in our books.
Okay.
We should be very strict with the rules of our party. And then the parliament. But those should not be happening. We should have the numbers in parliament. Our party is the nicest party in Ghana. Your party in the prayer party, a war in Ghana for winning that's all. You go to the parliament near 137, then it means that it's a big problem. How do we ensure that they don't win Akwetia? How do we ensure that in the Krobo areas, they make winning Sojamai, you're winning one of the Krobo seats? How do we ensure that we target Afram Plains, at least one of the two constituencies, it's me winning back home? We need a strategic thinker, and that is Jeff Eduardo.
Okay. Yajini sir, kwa mukwe di Japade ba sotro bia mpie biem.
Oh, onyame adoma ba se menyini se sotro asem.
Say ehunu bi paint na jaye say abo asere wa gene background we yi nani ato nchen.
One said this parliament is a unique one, a being time that, and we always learn from our mistakes. Meaning is somebody has the energy to engage in fisticuffs. I mean.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yera ma yemfansi ha bibia ni ebesa ba biom.
Besumi da massive prayer.
Enunti yani honorable Davis Opoku ansa ye frɛ no OPK Empraeso Emrahye Bidwani eno no or a part of Ira Jeff Kunedu ne campaign team no ene ne kobo enkomo Yet was so na yakwing and you say messages in a banner air by back in kind of come Eddie Mamo some 27 minutes after 8 live on Hinkai 93.3 FM NT Ebiana Afe and a Wuti admitted in the marching. Men sumidin Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Kutokumeyo Ofrem Sanso Amejiso Yatina Sena happy birthday Biumusan Koma Dr. Isaac Fifi Asante J medical officer Odan Government Hospital Nyankupon Inshra live to be 93.3 and beyond we a free yen general manager eho sanso so eno hema inti general manager eno hema ena aka bomu a omo ede message ede aba so Dr. Isaac Fifi Asante J medical officer Odan Government Hospital happy birthday once again to you. And also, I've got a lot of them celebrating their birthday as well. Ma mention si and also some farmer womunti. To begin with, Nana Kwame Adepa and your birthday, so happy birthday encore Emfa Emma Bimpon Belinda also so and your birthday, happy birthday Obeng Charles, Lucy Entry, Mary Osei Jambra. And they also wo birthday Mabel Diher also so any birthday and a kwesi cash out we are some double Bill Emmanuel or Fair Gloria Nyakon Comfort Nana Joa Educhum wa and they are birthday. All of you live to be 93.3 and beyond. Makuma swadi nyine rade enye Emfa Emma. Me pacha unsu betumi adwene if or anyway she be sa. Yegusu ayeko yengemu no. Yebehwe na yesisi so de amao. Sanso na betumi adwene wo Facebook ni e Ahinkan 93.3 FM. O de ba yebehwe na yakenkan de amao. Ma menkwa homa no so na me ni yera Emmanuel Edubuaten oye environmental activist. Yene nkonko twetwe enkomo. Yera ima otemenka Ahinkan FM suni yamu achi amu akwaba.
Mpasha meje oso. Nisha wanu chief for nyina.
Chief for Joshua Pomba ko de.
Ne madam bo kompaja won so.
Nyame adom yensu ye ho ye papa.
Ko mache.
Sa. Ya san hia biom.
Mpasha.
Okay, inti anopa yi afutu a wode akwa ma ban no eno ne pese o chichim kakra de mayen. O kire se aban ne nhwe na yensan re-engineer yen drainage architect no na emwa yen. Adentina o coming out with this advice o say akwanchire
minya medase na edikan no say the can be say if you keep focusing on the same thing now we na more results now you keep focusing on that be more the same results so until you change your method no be more the same results. A time has come I was say a movie from that coping system now they be are reactive your chance at rentam no ento ansana it's me asolve. You see who said they be are you decelting a tire decelting you constructed you decelting you constructed but all these things you know it has not been able to solve our problem. Until here partner say you have to focus on being proactive. Proactive in say you be the kind it's drainages, you know, gutters any before the day of or the times of the flooding. You see, Adebakwa, even apart from the drains, no, Adebakwa here pa yen time kamwasem embrace no pempering no and what be here say kamwasem your wetlands and your vegetation. James na make us so what your wetlands na your Accra now and vegetation na your Accra now. Adeba kuti through it me your pan say ka wetlands ye biaya ye hu say ye nsuo mu. Nti sam biaya no. Ade ye pan say nsuo to a na sa wetlands no etimi anonom nsuo no. Ti sa wokọ baby ti say wager from wager ho nyina kosi dansoman. Sa areas ni na wetlands a nsuo to a na etimi edreni nsuo na say etimi anonom nsuo no. But sa areas ye nyina no ya encroaching on all those areas. Isi sha dan wo so ya fele land no. Since no duru hope na isan say enam asase no so no entimi endrenu nkofominti no na yiri na eyi nkofo. So what Ghana has here, you were more than three wetlands. You were Densu Delta, you were Sakumono, you were winning now. But yes, so we are encroaching upon all these wetlands. At the Atorentum, at the brain. Ocean meditation now, a war Asimota. See what is happening now. The least we talk about Asimota, the better. Until let's not focus on Asimota now. But yen share your drainage system. See, a share drainage now. I did a improper waste disposal. You see, the beer done that every year, we keep on talking about waste disposal. The beer, I'm sure, number one next year, we will still talk about these issues. The time has come for us to focus on recycling. The beer, na ye can't flooding. But yen can't send a bear able to me solve this waste challenge. So yen to me I'm putting in place recycling companies, recycling machines able to me I recycle your waste now. We will continue talking about this issue year in, year out. So a time has come for us to focus on the proactive instead of the reactive. Share your institutions to say NADMO. Share your town and country planning. So, maybe so far say town and country planning will come here. I'm sure the baby Nampo at the Cromoye. But all these institutions are there. Besides, I say a DM pan or more year a job boy. Government has to resource them. We have to resource all these agencies. We have to resource our EPA. A time has come for us to also resource them and then give them appropriate tools and making that year prosecutions. Nansemu Wampo yet say McCarthy Hills issues to be see honum not Mokoho. They were not able to prosecute because they don't have that power. A time has come for us to be proactive instead of the reactive. So yen share yen wetlands, yen share yen vegetation, yen focus on your waste management. Yen share agencies na etimi a prosecute na etimi a buama yen mantem yahuni diri ene sanamina bekosu yeya. There's no way we can overcome this challenge. So we have to focus on these systems that etimi abuain. Ama etimi overcome Accra falling. And to sad, yeah, number one next year you come back. You see, I wish we had enough time to go through all these wetland issues. But we did the pass it.
Oh, I see. Ain't Oshe a free my main friend free John Dramani Mahama breast. So the last time and I say even numero baby na me check it. Contracts are awarded as far as a year drainage need the certain air concern. Na wohwe target ni nyandru ho kra. Abanya abanya watisu sisi a one commitment as far as say ye fighting against say drainage ye be desalte and gutters and yema hodo aka ho no. Omo commitment no so far say net ye.
Minia oka commitment omaimo ha. I think that a major challenge is leadership. The can say Ghana is not poor. We only have poor leadership. Yet Hayani say Aban Diba to me now. Obe make Accra the most beautiful city.
Is it cleanest city?
The cleanest city
in West Africa.
In West Africa.
Ebiane no na Jubilee House nko ada yeso.
You see, we share a commitment, the leaders' commitment towards this challenger. When we say la Kadasika, and now dear, yeah, you must say a because so share 50 years ago to now the same challenge, and we have numerous researches. I from 2010 to 2050. Our weather will continue getting worse and worse. It means that say in so neto a better broso, a neba a beshia broso. To say intimi overcome challenges now, it means that we keep getting worse and worse. She do legend or home see I shall try to say oh. Oshe ni every year beyond they are filled with silt. yɛndua green grass wɔ baabi a o. You see, adeɛ de silt ɛba paa ne fencing, a former use concrete. This is dance man. We can build houses. Now you giant drains wo. We can build so many houses. We need that drains wo. People will have a dining room tema concrete wo. In so that it will wash away the soil and then push them down into our gutters.
Sure,
so
but yes. Unse ohwe dansoma kra no a ye ka ho asem no a. Dansoma no akasa no waterlogged area.
Exactly.
Don't you think say omo yes arrangement no town and hwan planners ya bosumi bia no magi sika di omo nya ho adwuma yi omo ka ho bi e na ma omanfo akra wo dansoma wo mo so ensuo to bia no ana ye ka flood sa company say a department na wo ministry so say assemblies you know onye ni say e wo say yengu nu o say yengu nu nso na adwuma no na wo say ye de aba asi o mo so mo ye ni yi a beboa.
Yeah, sometimes I don't blame them too much because resources now more here to be human. Bisa ho so omon sakana. Ebu ami bisa me ho say nti say mpanyinfo na mo dress na pe na mo kujuma. Akotna office, baby to say town and country planning. The not boni adena. Aya na oma dwumu na aya na mitai bisa mendafo for me dwuma ho say aya na omu feel sen.
Okoye den.
So it means that a leadership ne failure. So all these agencies, you know, but it's almost cosema yen patem no yen timi entumpon. There was many out you see Accra Kitru, it is surrounded by Ekape mountains. You know, from basic geography say in Sota water moves from high mountains to lowland areas. Into the drew hope. So we're not quite armed from one. I bet flooded. From that time now, be seen there. Can we say that be higher now? Sebe. We have to be able to construct these drains. We are constructing so. I was saying, I don't want Acadia to ho. Acadia and saying, India, we will improve our wetlands because you are in your drains now, no. It will be filled with silt. So they we focus on the silting instead of the root cause. We in malaria and kasa u treat tipaye. You have to treat the root cause. Root cause means say your wetlands now you want. We are destroying all of them. We are building on them. The Biancohoya Western agriculture absorbing you know. The moment we make it hard surface, no, in so far intimate no more conform. And we are wouldn't so good concrete so. Not if you go and hear more. Name the men first. Near what I him the men first. Concrete is so dear. I had Danya a fast a bejiri. So our leaders, it is time for us to be committed to this problem. Otherwise, year in, year out, things are getting worse. Temperatures are rising. We are expecting more rainfall. And then, if you read the weather, it is likely to rain in Accra. Are we prepared? That is the question you ask.
And one question you bisa. Ma yana se ni fancy ya san se ensuyire ni ye environment nkomo de ye kakaka anya de ye bebie nti ma fancy ya bebie ni e besan bebie mu.
Pastor Madasi.
Enti ye ni ora Emmanuel Duboatin o ye environmental activist ene ne kotwetwe enkomo no. Simanu aduanan pepepe na abo apa anopa no nwotwe ho na Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources the krata bi the ababonten a ni nyina efa nsasesem se John de ne ne kekeka ho adwenkyira ne na ne mu ne ne kekeka ho no omo de krata bi the ababonten so a ase ya anu yie de ma sa ensem no enyina enti ma menkinka bi emfa mountain from the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources dated 24th May 2022 ya simabe sengwatwi mu an omde ebaye ayenso yensanka bi o say the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources
refers to its press statement dated 22nd May 2022, in which the ministry committed to inquire into the allegations relating to the acquisition of parcels of lands at the Achimota Forest and the Sakumono Ramsey site by the late former Chief Executive Officer CEO of the Forestry Commission, Kwejo Usu Efriye, aka Sir John. Preliminary inquiries reveal that the alleged will in question is a subject matter of litigation or contestation in the court. Further checks at the lands and the forestry commissions, the repositories of the records of the lands in question, show no record of ownership of lands at the Achimota Forest or the Sakumono Ramsey site by the late Kwejo Owusu Efriye. That said, given the totality of the circumstances of the said allegations, I, as Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, have directed the Lands and Forestry Commissions to deem any ownership of lands, both in the Achimota Forest and the Sakumono Ramsey site by the late Kwejo Owusu Efriye as void and are to take the appropriate actions accordingly. For the avoidance of doubt, the bequeathing of the aforementioned or said lands, if established, will not pass any interest or title to the named beneficiaries in the alleged will. These lands, the subject matter of the alleged will, shall remain public lands whether or not it falls within the de-gazetted lands pursuant to Executive Instrument 144. Government will act on any improper acquisition of any public lands, regardless of how it was procured, whether now or in the past, and in the Achimota Forest lands will not be an exception. Until you say Honorable Samuel Abu Jinapo, Honorable Minister Lands and Natural Resources. It is a me bo assembly out of our say ministry lands and natural resources no sign kai Ghana for say 22nd day of May no the krata ababonti say so ate ehunu say will be in social media no so a say opani a wonya ne ba bi kro Kwejo Owusu Efriye ne nsama nkrata waye de ato ho na say okwa Achimota won sase bi wo ho okọ Sakumono Ramsey site nso eno so won sase bi wo ho na eno na osoafo ekire say wo mo hwehwemu ababeda abonten say sa nsamankrata na ababeto social media no so obi eka mu asem no eya asem e wo court wo mgusu akra wo mo eka ho asem omo san eya hwehwemu ko Lands and Forestry Commissions enso kokobisa say wo mo nkrata asem bi ekire say sansasi eya Owusu Efriye Kwejo edia na omo kire say Lands and Forestry Commission empanifo kire say omo ni nkrata asem bia ewo ho no mo kire say sansase no a ewo Achimota Forest ene Sakumono Ramsey site no owura Kwejo Owusu Efriye edia enunti ama achinije ene ntwato so anansesem ana ene nanam ho no ni nyina abawieye na me ame yoso afode ma ensase ne odoma nkomadwapade ode adom yen eso no Maakye Lands and Forestry Commission say entempa so a sansase no a ewo nkrata asem mu no wo mo nkofa ne tentem ne ewo Achimota ne ewo Sakumono Ramsey site ene ne akaka ho ni nyina no nkofa na emfa ntu dwa pen se enye owura Kwejo Owusu Efriye ne dia ne edi ho se ne be ya mu nyina mutiri mu be ya mu fan enti saafo no a yebobo wo mudin ene asase ne daha yese wo dia edaha yese wo dia no nyina obi antumi nkasa asase no eye ne dia ebiem sansase no ene nsase akaka ho nyina da a eye aban dia no se aban na ama kwan se fo se enya aban na ama kwan se fo mu nyina aban asan de nsa to so biem ne krakra mu Ghana ban asinkete se asase bia da eye oman ne dia ankrofo bi pese wo mo efa na wo de koye wo mo nkasa dwapade no saa de nyina ebe yi de firi ho
sɛ wo aban mu mprimprin no wafa kwambɔne so agye aban asase sɛ ebi a waba atwam no agye aban asase ne ɛyɛ akyemɔta deɛ wu ne ɛyɛ nankpanduri deɛ wu ne nyina da aban no de ne nsa ato ne nyinaa so no wɔbɛhwɛ na wabɔ Ghana nsase nyinaa ho ban ɔpani a ne nsa hyɛ krataa yi ase ɛyɛ owura Samuel Abu Gyinapɔ MP ɔsan yɛ Minister Lands and Natural Resources enti yɛkɔba yɛbɛsan adom sukɔ akɔ akyi kakra ma menkɔ ahoma no so na yɛnkɔbɔ nkɔmmɔ wei sisi a sɛ ɛnaano yɛbɔ nkɔmmɔ sɛ sisi a no ɔmo kɔkɔgye adesua na ɔqualify ba bɛyɛ doctor ɔbɛyɛ doctor ne wie a ɔnsom Ghana o mekɔ aburukyire mekɔ ha ebi mu kura bie ɔmo ankasa ɔmo deɛ ɛyɛ deɛ baa deɛ a ɛno na ekuo yi ɛnso so asɔre de ɔmo ano ato mu bi National Health Student Association ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ aban ne nhwɛ na saa adeɛ no ntumi mfiri hɔ ɛnom yɛ ne ɔmo president Faustina Akins ɛkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ maame Faustina wotimi nka a anka na fam so ni ma mo akye mpom bɔkɔ deɛ atiefoɔ gye wo so
National Health Student Association of Ghana a cool it's now all health students in Ghana. Now, let me say, a baby Nakakeni and Dr. Isiasarimo and other dignitaries. And the best to say, it is very bad when we get knowledge in Ghana and we take it outside the country.
Mami Fosti. Minim say oye movement bi dia ma feedback coming from o end no a bit terrible. I don't know.
Okay, currently me come.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I think it's much better now to be to me at also.
Okay, thank you. Into the American say, yeah, as students in the health sector no. And so I have a break because I'm a minimum Ghana has said. You boost our Ghana, your loved ones in our Ghana. So then I say, if we are training here in Ghana, then we take it outside the country. But in the Mabi or home here, and no boy, Emma, ain't me any Saturday. For about 10 months now, nursing training allowance, intense, allowance here. Omo call school, so now more year or more way no. Attachment area BB like attachment we serve and also so allowance there for about 7 months now. Way in as students because currently cost of living is very high. And if you consider all these things and you go outside the country and you get what you are supposed to get, the best option will be for you to leave the country, which is not favorable. But if we want government to know that, to avoid all these brain drains, the best option is to settle these petty issues of ours. It is you can say pay allowance. It was someone from my.
I see.
Don't give us allowance and later we don't give us the allowance. Over fire before 2015, we as national health students, we were very happy because government from the say Obesia allowance is not my year. And that led to the massive victory of this current administration. But the short answer, as of now, you ain't allowances near 2019 nurses referral batch egusu tike postiomo. All these things add up to the brain drain. If you are in a country you've been trained, that's a wababa betnafia. We expect that at least ubenya bibi post you, ubeye juma, then you earn something. But if you are not working, you are not earning anything. How will it help you?
Oh, I see.
If you get the opportunity to travel outside the country, you definitely.
Sanity. Okay, nti dia wo kire nyina ne se sa aban ne mpese mu wie a mu nyina mu betu ekwan afiri Ghana ha ne mu aye adwuma de a mu guso no aye training mu no omo nhwe mu yie.
Exactly.
Okay.
Omo nhwe yie. Because this year can allowance ya semi. Ebi mu tifie ye posti omo ye. Enu confidence allowance no government be my say oh my allowance obema ye job writers at school. But yes, he said allowance was helping us.
I see.
Now we are still not getting it, and why?
Okay.
And we are looking forward that our current interns who have not been paid for.
Hello.
Necessary things are here now. We'll just tell them to stay home. They shouldn't go to work at all because we are not getting anything, and they can't be commuting from their various homes to the facilities without getting anything.
Okay. I think sir, our point has been made evident. Into the base here, baby, baby, why?
That's the plan.
Okay, as that you ready, the into president at the National Health Students Association, NASAC. NASAC. Who try it here, Sani a friend. Yane Eura Faustina Akins, and a quarter train and common. Yet was so at the amount Jaquaco Enterprise, 7 country. Say we queer na queer no pesa we na we know assume dia. Nansay, Yama queer na ya kono crackeke. Ayakona kono crackeke. And saying, and say the infidie dia ba sam fidie no, and na a boy Emma queer no, ayakona so simple, sir. Opese wudi ankatie ebro opese wudia emo opese wudia beans tomatoes anase meko e na opese wudia yewo manual seed planter machine e wo hono mo a wo de ane se obe load seedlings no eno abedua ni nyina kama e de ama e bia na odomfuo yewo net kama e wo hono mo a sa net no wo de be kata emo ne so nan no ma ama medi ansay no enti waba beto rice protector net edia cover money so awie no ama mo no aye kama anyi no opese wutwa eno nso so ye wo motorized rice harvester machine e wo ha ye de beboa adi sa adwuma no ede ama wo abo nkom nti wo bewie no wanya mo no kama ubetimi di akoba bia ma obi ato bia di sanse eye kama pa uyi no firi ho a ye san e wo fertilizer eso so we yen ho fertilizer no nia wopɛ bia wo ba wo nsa bɛka bi yesan e wo ntute enuaba ntute no ye obi wo ho meko tomatoes nkuruma eburo na eye jene ye wo ni nyina ntute ni bi wo ho no mo aduaba ni bi wo ho a wo ba onsa ebetumi aka bi ye wo kutokuro sekan no ye de dro no ye wo bi saa nso so na ye wo kurokuro bi mo frɛ no Wellington boot ye wo ni nyina bi afidie kafo no a ye ni so ye de gu no bae so no ye wo bi wo ho no mo ane bo eda fam se etim new edubiase ye wo commercial bank building no first stop ho no mo na okọ adanse fumso so a anase fumso a ye wo Islamic mosque na asen da man so ye ne agric office no na edi animhwe adanse asokwa de mra oboase kwantempon no so ye ne presby asori ne edi animhwe kaswa new market ye wo eye Coca-Cola kwan no eso 024333 5525 0243 33 5525 and a 0272 736003 0272 736003 and the number be Fred Jaquaco Enterprise na yetumi ajo so kama pa ye friwa mo na ye ko Akim State Senior High School amonso ba ye abusia ade adesua kama pa aniti computer wa to ba no atwatwe baabi ama school no kra anya wa kono wa ba mu ye abu memo aba mu fa ba ne bra Akim State Senior High School no mra megin tete general art visual art business home economics general science ye kire nyina wo ho technical so ye kire wo ho no mo a practicals ye nyina modern computer lab visual art studio and a food lab science lab nso papa bi ye oni nyina bi wo yen ho eno mo a ebeboa ma adesua na tumia akoso kama pa achim odan kutuku ba hema kwantempon so ena ubehunu yen ewo 0556 409040 0556 409040 ena 020716 3787 020716 3787 Akim State Senior High School say hard learning easy passing brana yema wo entity na emwa o kama pa na sesi ade obi a opese osi dan bia no omo ahu ba bia wo so omo to cement ne dada enti me ba no aye wo se me san esi su keke sanse yɛ sɛ wokɔto so ɔkɔmfoɔ ɔtomfoɔ baabi a ɔde no kwee no na ɛho hia ne paa ɛne nti ma mensa nti so biemu ma wo monim dada but abɔso baa ne magya pae nti ma mensi so biemu sɛsi adeɛ cement no obi agye atom sɛ papa no a ɛboa yɛn ɛma yɛ dan no ɛyɛ akɔnɔ yɛsisi adampa no ɛyɛ baako pɛ ɛno ane Samchi Enterprise watoto ahasuo ma konkran akɔfa cement papa every Unisem Cement Ghana Limited paper mu deɛ rubber mu deɛ ne nyinaa bi wɔ hɔ yɛwɔ ɛyɛ atemodan Amantra Wache Junction New Story Building na yaba besi ɛwɔ hɔ no mo ɛne Dukes Filling Station edi nhwɛ ne mu anaasɛ bɛn no wobɛhunu yɛn ɛwɔ hɔ 0243 583190 0243 583190 ɛno ne number wobɛfrɛ na yɛtumi agye wo so kama paa ebia na woyɛ mason ni wabɛtɔ box no bɛyɛ sɛ aduonum ne ne ɛboro saa ɛno nso yɛ wakyɛdeɛ kama a yɛde ɛbɛma wɔ ne nti ya no wahyɛ ne nso ama me na ne nyinaa akyi no yɛbɛsan yɛn ho yadeɛ ano herbal bitters ɛne capsules no nso si yɛde aba bɔnten o ɛyɛ wonders papa ano herbal bitters ne capsules no boa ma ɔmo akoko wɔ mu sisi yɛ ɔmo ya ne ne keka ho ne nyinaa ɛyade a yɛhwɛ na yɛyiyi ɔhaw ne nyinaa de afiri hɔ ɛnam nyarewa ahodoɔ a wakɔsesa bie ɛno nso yɛbɛsa akɔnɔ ɛde ma wukunu wɔ yere atekɔ yɛbɛhwɛ ama na san aba biem w'anum atoa ntumi ne die anaasɛ wakoma bɔɔ pɛdipɛdi wokɔ afikyira wɔ baa obi ate wo nka bɛrima agyapadeɛ no na aka kɔ mu a ɛno nso yɛbɛhwɛ atwe apie ano herbal bitters ɛne capsules no ɛyɛ bibiduro pikaa ɛne ɛde ɛsa nyarewa ahodoɔ wokɔ akyemɔdan EKS Mim Drug Store ɔdan Old Town Zango hɔ wobɛhunu yɛn saa nso na wɔba Henkan FM a ɛdan kɛseɛ no mu a ɔmo wɔ hɔ bi nsa betumi aka aduro no ebi wokɔ baabi a yɛtɔn bibiduro bia no a nso nsa betumi aka bi 0541210227 0541210227 ɛno ne number abɛfrɛ na yɛtumi agye wo so abusua ne krakra mu no nyankopɔn yɛ adom a UEFA Champions League grand finale no say eba so ebeba so eye Stade de France no wɔ France abrochime mu yen so yebetena eye achemasene na ya ma commentary mu da hɔ Real Madrid na Liverpool na eka banchiri mu hwan na beye bema eni nyankopɔn yadoma memene de edi animu yi na ebekyerɛ enti ye tonsa de afretiefo nyina sɛ momra meka yɛn ho na yɛmfa commentary papa FM free asene online sport Miami Hills Pub ɛno no wɔ akyemu asene awisa afi atwa mu ɛhɔ ane ɛkɔ yɛ afi wei nso yɛ san ɛkɔ hɔ no no 9k na yɛahyɛ ase a yɛtoto nneɛma kama competitions ne nneɛma ahodoɔ bebree no abɛkɔ so wankasa pani ɛbra bɛhwɛ nonso na commentary na hyɛ ase behyia mmeranteɛ no nyinaa wɔ hɔ no mo Joshua Kwabene Jenim head of sports na assistant ɛnso so wobɛhyia mu nyinaa wɔ hɔ no mo a ɔmbɛma commentary ne nemu ɔdɛ opoku mu nyina ka ho bi ɔmbɛyɛ ne kama 0256238713 0256238713 ɛno ne number wobɛfrɛ ebi apɛ sɛ ɔba bɛka ho bi wobɛ sponsor anaa wo nso so ba bɛboa me ade dwumadie ne de brɛ mo ɛma ne yɛ fa wofrɛ saa number no a yɛbɛhwɛ ne yɛde ho dwuma de ama wo mebakyɛ wobɛbi yɛ duro no ma mentwa me ho mmra ɔho me ba nkomo na ka bebree ya de bema live on this very FM station jumadi no so de Maakye me ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo kutoku meyo ma me twa me homra me ba ye to aso
adwumayɛfoɔ memamo ayiko ya na former way master me wa ha na nanu cement me kotoma mo sɛ mo fa nya adwuma no sɛn ɛna former uhu cement no
oh master wunim ade papa
that's right
Unisem cement okofa ba ye no sɛ wo to tiles o sɛ wo ba pras no sɛ wo twa blocks o sɛ wo to blocks o ama ye adwuma ye mbre
Unisem cement that's ramati sɛ wo ye mason wo ye labourer wo ye foreman na sɛ wo pɛ sɛ wo adwuma ye fɛ ya kono na gina pintin dia that is the product Unisem cement ye wo tom ɛna pepa mu die
na sɛ obi pɛ cement papapa say a ɛhemfa no obɛnya bi ato
sɛ wopɛ unisem cement bi atɔ ɛwɔ akyem dane ne mpatam ha wobɛkɔ some cheese enterprise yɛwɔ amantra yɛne dukes filling station ɛna di nhwɛne mu frɛ yɛn 0243 583 190 ɛna 0540 659 865 sɛ woyɛ mason anaa foreman na wode enipa bɛtɔ cement baburu 50 bags nso a yɛkyɛw adeɛ free some cheese enterprise ɛna di aba akyem dan amantra yɛne dukes filling station ɛdi nhwɛne mu.
Hey! Akwasi hwade ujafo ena ne car engine ewuo ya esi wodro so fitting shop wo no
ah bra enyo ne kamfu si horse engine oil man no oge ene ne kyerɛ ne kyerɛ
no
ah piesie bra
me na masam ni o akrabato
yakasa se seahorse engine oil no ene wo special additive a ehuru engine mu e ma ne kyerɛ
ne dwen ho won
na via da kra
ene me nne e ka ba fie na me fa the whole world open quality engine oil seahorse ene wo so say private cars taxis commercial and heavy duty trucks
enu ti no me kanfo seahorse 15W40 and 20W50 ama drivers ene ka wona fo nyina
afi motorbike aboboya ena pragiafo no mumu de mu hia eye seahorse special 40 enu ena riders and mechanics e wo sem use you
unua no kure wo mni say seahorse product ena ye papa ane bonso e wo form
sem firimu fia e firi na kro seahorse engine oil nkoa na begu me car engine mu ene fra seahorse for 0244 577 559 and 0240 800 007 seahorse products enua.
Hey, ODI Electronics. Mama yehu se mu woniama papa. Wow! Ne nioma bɛn ne edi eni ehuntia. Ye ni agye saa no.
Refrigerators, deep freezers,
beautiful.
Irons, microwaves, blenders, gas cookers, kettles, rice cookers,
that's right.
TV, washing machines, and anyama hodra ye yusu wo fie ni na.
That's dramatic. Seeing is believing. Where do you need to ma? Ye ni nyaw. Chesa upe home appliances. Edi abodwuma efieni baby a ODI Electronics and abeko anameboa.
Aini, would ye friend your home show for you so 0550 900 600
0550 900 600. Adishmama na dear de krani say emfa oni baby awo. Udi anso be frɛ 0550 900 600. Baby obia no e be deliver e the amount. ODI Electronics yaba say ye TV, fridge, gas cooker, kettle, anase microwave. Adie bi e me fie ye de na horse ye de no. Ye woni say chapo ho. O friend ya ye be cho kwan be for so benya ode. ODI Electronics. Ye no ye delivery echo bia.
Ago Odane n'importem way. Munya so na me won sempe bi de mamo. 2A baby diapers na munim eto de bom mano. Say die yasesa ne din abeye next baby diapers. Na wonim yasa hyemu kena ama ekɔ n'anim jie. Esan cotton dodo ade awura nti no. O the next baby diapers ebo wo ba. Ojo so sign to home for. Ensanse bia entingu ne to ho. Won sum fan hawo. Oba ne yeso comfortable. Etuko chroma sensuo. Cotton next baby diapers. Fabe boba no. Na ne ho beto ni safe form. Obenya next baby diapers. Ewo be bia. Opedodo afre 0500 285000. Na monsha nensuo. Ema mubu monsanso. Ye wo next sanitary pad. Ede mamo. Next baby diapers. Mama fra hot so mo. Hey. FDA. After sa edwedin kratso imo. Ajia to mu say eje.
Hello. Wofa, Mekot Health College a woman mi ko yenti. Enne, me ye medicine counter assistant. Many a GE.
Ampo, se wo pese wo ye medicine counter assistant dia. Enya na Mekot Health College ana obekɔ. Wo ye medicine counter assistant certificate program. Ye reschooling so ma wane a wawie MCA. Nanso oni pharmacy council certificate. Na dia ma wonda so ne se. Pharmacy council Ghana agye wane atum. Na ye ma free IT training so eka ho. Admission gusu a ekoso. Ye Enti mansenka forms. Ye were 2 campuses. Aguna Swedro, ye were da kwan so. Kaswan so, ye were Congo Villa. E were New Market Bodiase kwan so. Ubenya forms ni bi e were campus mienu yi nyina. Anase Mekot Pharmacy shops ahodo e were Ghana fanan ba bia. Ni ye 2 campuses ni nyina nso e were hostel wo ho. Enti uni ha ukra. Na se wo pe enrupa nso dia. Ene na ko Mekot Pharmacy. E ho na ubenya nupa. Ghana ene amono ne de. Fre 0592 522 111 ana 0244 640975. Mekot Health College, you say health knowledge is life's wealth.
Se open mobile phone papa and kwato ayusudia. Nanwane big sound phones. Jawa original phones bia awaya say. Ani bono so afuye papa. Se open Infinix phones, Samsung phone, Tecno, Motorola, Nokia phones, iPhones biano. Pomodi na bra ya say na bra be to be cotton. Afa ye swapping. So mobile phone open so se sound near mouth for fra. Obape ye be to be mouth for fra no yisu. Afa ye laptops na bi o ye sound to laptops. Afa mobile phone no so nya ho how bia. Pomodi na fa big sound phones. Na fa more than repair mount. Or the fuck I say to forward. Phones no so ni bo fuye papa. Any laptops ya repair any sound tone. Baby I be we ya chikwano. Of a JB abrosa kesi enu. I am boga fresh up. Who bet to me a friend 0249 653780 and 0248722049. Big sound phone, mobile phone, and laptops papa. Ejosu. What else? I been a feature. I be them one of the figures say we know.
Admission. Akim State Senior High School. Ya shall see a yasan AJ Afofro. One we JHS. Okwa SHS. Ya bie ya pro atuho. Ya courses ahodo. Ya business, general arts, home economics, visual arts, pure science, and technical. Neti, ya science so our boarding facilities. Ya wa special room. Ana enuania eye papa. Ya wa laboratory, visual arts studio, food lab. Ya science so our modern computer lab. Today now pe. So pesa utro remedials nso a. Ya de oba fan kyerɛkyerɛ mu bosom sia pe. Na nkɔtwerɛ wasi na. Wobɛtwa ne prɛkɔpɛ. Ya wo teachers fo a. Omo ni mu ade na omo kyerɛ ade a. Omo ho etwa. Awofo e. Ɛne ahwɛfo a. Mo ma antumi antwa wasi. Sane atie bia menwe ho fa ne bra. Ya bɛma na twa ne prɛkɔpɛ. Na ka ne hu sɛ. Ye gusu a. Ya gye afoforo a. Omo ɛba from why. Akim State Senior High School. Ya wo Akim Oda. Ya ben Akim Oda Ohima na himfie ne pɛ. Wobɛtumi afrɛ yɛn 0556 409040 anase 0207 163787. Akim State Senior High School, the greatest in the East. Akim State Senior High School, hard learning is a passing.
Ghana adisiye. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM.
Sima nwotwe na agba pa no nkron ehun dwumadi agusu awutie no so yato ne din se Maakye. Enti ya mo ache wie sa no ankomo no doso na yahwe ne yadi ni nyina kakran de ama ba bia ya boro so edi aduro ne de na tese yegusu aye ko bunumu na se ne mu nyina mu nim se segment for Friday aba we dwumadi so no ebra da bia ya ma akwanya eno ne ato ne entrepreneur hour. So I just say omo ankasa titi omo mawure mu abie nwuma omo ahye bibi ebi ni community nim kura na omo di bia ba omo ankasa sponsor make sure say e be successful no ye ma omo akwanya no they come na omo ne ahye omo stories so ne be ya yen so so ye betimi atie na ye tu anamo na aboa yen. So what I say but I ne say enwo se ye tokoso a se ye de yen ho to obi so ono na emra be bia adwuma me yenye obi mie bia won so so eden na betimi aye. Last week no ye ne yenua be ma Michael Tete na ehya ase a na egusu aye bo ho enkomo. Michael me hu se oye CEO de ma Pizza House no so ewo achem odan ene ye besan atwa sa ankomo twetwe no eso na probably ye ne no awie na fe etumi abie kwan ama afofra o mo so epeso o mo baso ebi na o ma be share o story with us enti utie yen na wabie wankasa wadwuma we entrepreneur wankasa bie adwuma bi a adwuma no eboa nkrofo a yɛde number bɛto dwa na wo nso wafrɛ ne yɛde waba so no abɛshare wo story with us na ayɛ afutu ama foforɔ yɛnkɔ ahoma no so na yɛne owura Victor Opon Agyeyi ɔyɛ president ɛde ma Ghana National Association of Poultry Farmers yɛre ne nkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ yɛwura Victor wote yɛn ka anka ne fam so ni yamo akye wada roma mpo mbɔkɔ yɛde awurade ase na mo kyerɛ sɛ rearing for food and jobs no asɛ sɛ ni so ade hunu no antumi ammam adentia
yo medasi bebre mamintia atiefo nyinaa rearing for food and jobs aye aniswade hunu bi a aban no de ba yɛsɛ yɛde bepagya mmoa yɛn mu sɛ yɛ nkokɔ sɛ yɛ anantwie sɛ yɛ mmoa bi a yɛyɛn wɔ mu na yɛde bepagya no no na ɛsaa ama adwuma bebree aba ama nipa bebree ho atɔ wɔn sɛ mmoa yɛn nso yɛ adwuma kɛseɛ a ebi akotene ɛwɔ agriculture dwumadie nim ɛna bio nso so nipa yɛ ahoɔden protein na yɛhia no yɛnyɛ firi mmoa yɛn mu nkokɔ ne deɛ aka no nti na yɛ adesuade hunu a ɛyɛ ade papapaa because yɛn nyinaa hu sɛ ɛkɔ so yie a ɛbɛboa bebree ɛbɛboa ama acreate jobs ɛbɛboa ama yɛayɛn mmoa no ama ne boɔ no asimi aba fam ama obiara asimi ato bi nti sɛ biara no ɛwɔ protein dodoɔ a ɛsɛ sɛ nipadua no nya na ɛba de saa na kyerɛ sɛ ɛbɛboa nipadua yɛahoɔden ɛbɛboa job creation bɛma nipa anya sika agu ne bɔtɔm nti ɛyɛ adeɛ a yɛde adwene ɛkɔɔ so yie paa ɛna yɛn nyinaa anim sɛ bea bɛyi deɛ aban nhyehyɛeɛ wei deɛ ɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ papapaa a yɛn nyinaa no meka yɛn nyinaa meka yɛn pɔtrefoɔ no yɛn nyinaa de yɛn ho bɛhyɛm na yɛaboa ama asimi atuntum nanso wonim bɛyɛ adwene sɛ ankɔ ne saa sɛ me ne wo ka sɛ poultry ɛda fam mɛka sɛ poultry agu poultry farmer biara ni hɔ a ɔwɔ anigye anaasɛ ahotɔ sɛ dwumadie a yɛdi no nyinaa no ɛka ameneɛ ma dodoɔ naa mpo atɔn ɔmo nkokɔ nyinaa ɔmo mpɛ sɛ ɔmbɛte poultry die ɔmo a ɔmowɔ mu nso so stilaa no ɛka no ɔmo bɔ because nkokɔ no hɔ deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wofidi wɔ mu nti dwumadie a ne yɛnim sɛ ɛbɛpagya adwuma a ɛte sɛ poultry na sɛ poultry agu deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ dwumadie no antumi ankɔ so na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ a rearing for food and jobs no ɛtumi ɛyɛ yie nti although sɛ na ɛyɛ adepa no yɛntumi ammoa amma dwumadie a ɛsɛ sɛ ɛdi no antumi ammoa ama no ani
I see. Enti die enim no sɛ nea no mo bɛyɛ biara no na momo a moyɛ farmers na moyɛ stakeholders. Enti na omo engage mo. Poultry farmers before you be implement sa policy no, omo ne mo enhia.
Mami nyina so enka sɛ omo ne yɛn enhia ɛwɔ kwan biara so. Yɛ ne free inframen media for print and electronic media. Oh, abani yesi. But say she say yes as an association. Omuni yesia they are given who say you see pony the other ye Mosu Magino say. May na yatimi a jojo. Na yatimi di atu Amanisa. Poultry Farmers Association. Omuni yan ka the dear and far railing for food and jobs. Ɛyɛ ministry naa no ɛna aban no de baayɛ no ɔmo so ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo adeɛ ato yɛ ne saa nso a ɛnyɛ yie simpo biara ba a yɛwɔ nkurɔfo a ɛsɛ sɛ wɔne ɔmo dwene ho na mo hwɛ kwan pa a mo bɛfa so a yɛde yie bɛto yi anyɛ saa no a ɔdɔ sɛ ɛyɛ good intention ɛntumi nyɛ yie because technocrats no ɔmo adwuma no ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo de biribi bɛba na the practical farmers no yɛnso yɛne ɔmo ahyia ne akyerɛ wɔ ɔmo yɛadwene na yɛn nyinaa yɛkeka bom a yɛtumi aso dwumadie no so ama atumi afirigya ba wei deɛ me no nkasa yi biribiara saa nkɔ so nti ministry hɔ naa na ɔmo nam ɛna ɔmo ka ɔmo aborɔfo ɛnam radio so rallying for food and jobs ɛna yɛde yɛse but sɛ practical poultry farmers a association no da no deɛ yɛne ɔmo ne yɛ nhyia wɔ kwan biara so.
Oh, na does it mean say omo target group na nkrofo omo bɛyɛ adwuma because omo na enkomre nyire gyina mo so nti se yɛ nhyia mo a na omo nkrofo bi omo bɛhyia nti a ana omo yɛ ama wɔm
ɛno na yɛ na ɛha adwen as a country because deɛ woyɛ biara no sɛ wow de wopɛ ɛna womfa nkrofo a ɔne ɔmo bɛyɛ a ɔdo sɛ di a na nkrofo no wɔ nimdeɛ deɛ but ɛkɔyɛ corporate body na ɛboa sen sɛ wɔn bɛselect nipa aso hwan na hwan wu a yɛfa a wɔn so yɛ ne wɔn bɛyɛ deɛ menim but definitely no wɔn wɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi edi wɔn yiyi wɔn a wɔn yɛ but wɔn yɛ ne saa so a enye yie because the poultry association no yɛwɔ yɛfrɛ ne sɛ baabi a efiri ne baabi a ekodu. The National Association, no, and you the Regional Association, and you the District Association. So, to be a member of the District Association, automatically, no, is a member of the Regional Association and the National Association. And it's a believer now only national for at this case here. Immediately, no, so they are my region, for my region, they are my district. That is the engineer at the book. And Kopanisa, then national no name here. That is a region in Moshi and a district in Sunni Moshi. Now, let me select individuals to be from the farmers. But don't just would need the corporate body, no, and a area. But that's not Timothy.
Matthias, I see much less a fairly most of some stakeholders alternatives bang and our solutions bang and I will be Professor Eddie Amman for.
You know, I can't say, but most more any more soon. You be this because I'm say, Omuka says they are going to raise about 40,000 metric tons of chicken. And yes, sir, 40,000 metric tons. So, yes, land base is about 50 million beds. So, it's between one. The poultry farmers is not good one now, the business money. And then he said, the poultry are raining. But also, I say, instead, yeah, the air from, but one also, when you money, no one should say, a summer ministry in the battery gun, and now buy the battery just a relevant for food and jobs. How many years in a different process? And who can say no more to me produce? You are talking about it.
Yeah, to us here.
Yeah, money here. And I'm going to
okay.
Yes. Let's say we are getting a better. Let's say already 50 million beds. And who come on? Yes, for him. Your local hatches were. There is also local hatches. Listen, among provinces, I could come on my man. And I said, yes, the normal no. Yes, for Crank will come on in Albania project.
Okay.
Project to be about, you consider the local factor and answer. Because we want to use that project to create more jobs. And the first thing is, I hate to come on and at the annual beginning, 50 million decimal. At the annual saying, our beginning. A month we say, a Musa say, you're and I find that here for sure. You bring us a manager. So I know in na ko da dia na ko ye say kasa nko a o ye be ye ya kan na media ni shop pick so dia ni no say ni ma we ni na see the consider say ma we ni na ye see say ko dey no emu ha then we plan ye ma ye ho 3 months ye ma ye ho 6 months now we know ye can yes need to be simple
okay
dia no
I see. Enti o point no emu ada ho bibia ne ebesan ba biem ye de besi ha. Enti yene national president Edema Ghana National Association of Poultry Farmers Owura Victor Opon Eji na ekotwetwe enkomo. That also brings us to some 21 minutes after 9 live on Ahinkan 93.3 FM. Na nyankopon eya adomo a June ne da to so emienu 2nd June 2022 Ahinkan FM edi dwumadie soronko dwumadie foforo kra edi aba dwumadie no edin any boiling issues boiling issues na boiling issues ni ase insem uhuru insem de bi uhuru kitikiti pa ni atie ne se eye yawoda anwumre no nwotwe kopim nondu awurade nyankopon esoro ha ebe yedwe jese ye the fire service the babisi akire ha nti mumra mebie mo sub stations ni bi wa ha eto de din anama bedum jana mai din ni yakọ ebe bi enti eye boiling issues was insem uhuru boiling issues insem uhuru eja dem usi kitikiti enya sekretwa wa ha ye beto nsa de afre ye nuanamo NDC ye nuanamo NPP CPP PNC any parties nkitinkiti nyina ye beto nsa from nyina reps ne ye no mo de ataso wosoro ha ya woda bia wabra na nwotwe agba anwumre kopim nondu ene edi dwumadi de bebremo boiling issues en samuni uhuru kitikiti pa enti ya na watie bia ma ye nyame yadomo next month 2nd June pepepepepepe shase enti ya no mahia kutoku mayor Obuoba Ofori Amanfo betena ase na oni mpanimfo a womo abene wa amanyosemu ahia na yatimi adidi nkomo ahwe kwan ye befa so a Ghana ani kutoku ebefa ne ntoma papa efra enti ya no ahye ne so ma yankọ twetwe yankomo no yane Michael Tete ena ekwakọbọ nkomo Pizza House opani okokofa bae no yehye yankomo yase na watwetwa mu no ene Michael san ba bi miki apomo ko de
Obuoba nyame adomo
bia
boko
ederade ase na
bia boko
o ba ha no mo a woni ye bebo nkomo a wokoye no say na response ne tie
I think say Jumapa na mudi wa like you are doing a very good work and I would like to commend you and your producer of the show. I think say program way ebema young entrepreneurs and our young guys to say meneo business and our idea be your dream any business idea we want to carry out it will make it quite easier say yes you bet me because we learn from people who are already doing it you be free more dada any challenges kakra more face any other and it serves as a platform so a be promote businesses it's already in existence and shada public I think so it's a very good work you are doing and per se make us say yedamasipa nyaminsha mo adwumapa mudi
enti okoye no obi aba ho say me so me pa minyaya anka meko bi obi wanya bisa so obi aba say na o ye den na etimi akoduru ho no say minyame so me ba bi
okay as in just this past few
days and dry yeah
I've been getting calls concerning the pizza ankasa but not to say Abia me person me be pizza shop restaurant
no not as in say obi be but platform ya dey ama wo share your story with them no omo aba say me so me nya me so me be me dey bi me be adwuma bi a enka me so me ko sa platform yi so
okay I think say me wo colleagues bi a they are interested in as time goes on. I think say we are a bidding common.
I see.
Waiting the almost about platform.
Okay. Okay. Inti now what you mu no ana ye hwe kwan a wo fa so a wo di bi pizza house. And then you can ho a o ma ye hunu nioma be miensa. Mienu ana ewo mu akotene ye feasibility studies. I was say wo di kan call na kohwe say ne a wo pese wo ye no enkrofo na ni gye ho.
Very true.
Enu achi wo san invest ewo mu. Na etumi boa wo. Nti eno na wo ye ya wo de coming out na yenya pizza house.
Yeah. Very true.
Mami misa. O ye say wo bebie no wo encounter challenges bi a eduru ba bi wo ye sen cafe de. Me kra mami forfeited this dream.
No, men kasa, but challenges ne there. Ubenya from beginning, and I was starting so ubenya challenges be bring. But me no na my imagine say that is what me person me here. I've already invested so much to start. Na bibia ni wa ebe sisama adwen from starting. Danka me started feasibility studies no na me hu say enko ya eno de ka me advice me ho na me jai na ma sisa me business plan, but idea na me hu say se me de ba na me ye ni year ebe ko ya mama. Nti I made up my mind say eno na me yeah.
Okay.
And so nothing really changed my mind concerning that.
Enti young kum kakra, the last time I say ubi about 3 years in young kum or first year no, how was it?
I think sir with the is it challenges and how can
general way nan crofo bar na say na etie
first year first few months it was great. It was so great. But I think as time went on, I had changes in staff. Into my staffs. I think most of them in Konforme high school. I'm a pay Jumaya, and I'm a deomo chassis. Me deomo for training as a beginning. But after some time, it be at 12 school so. It been so in your posting. They had to leave me, and I know that some of the challenges I may begin from beginning of me work no, because who started with staff now I invested in training, what training what go to chef from Golden Tulip, what training, what only on my chassis. There is a lot of investment that goes into training alone. Because a day be a charger or charger. So you have to be able to have a staffer only on me for a very long time for at least to make you stable, because a fresh business say starting 2 months 3 months you taste be ansana ebeba hono taste no ema taste necessary and no affect business no. So what you say that was the main challenge staff changing, because it be school, it be SA, and so you had to change. I changed staffs about 4 times, and it wasn't good for my business. So that was the major challenge I had in the first year. And I know my mate and I'm Jane how I can solve that challenge. And to me, going forward, no, it helped. But the first few months there, it was a very sky high profiting thing.
Okay.
But as time went on, because I was changing stuff, staff available, it affected me. I had to close the shop because I don't have hands.
It got to a time I
had to pause serious because staff any around Oko school, you have to train be a shop and tour with an amateur. Say on Bayer Pizza Mobi because of staff Eco School. I worked with young people mostly. I want to work with young people, not very old people. Until I train them, me training them to know what I want. It's easier for me to work with young people because I'm able to communicate effectively. Let them know. To me, there's a certain kind of discipline that goes with that.
Sure.
So Charlie, this is how I want it. Do it this way. Don't do it this way. Do it this way. So it's easier. So I started with younger people, and as time went on, sometimes you staff maybe you lose them. Sometimes Charlie, me go school, me go nursing school, me say, it became something that really affected me from the first year now. Because he worked with you for 4 months, 5 months. Now she has to go to school. Untiminka say, hey, me my uncle.
Sure.
And you know what you say. So that was one of the main challenges. But first year was successful, and it was a period that I learned so much about business, because you can make plans, but if you start here and the real thing, start business and real thing, how the challenges never, and you have to be wise enough and smart enough and fast enough to learn and to meet those challenges, to solve them. Because when you're careful, a lot of businesses rise sharp first year, now collapse, because a lot of challenges come in the first year. And if you don't have that concerning it, the challenges, it will break you down. How to solve it, how to overcome those challenges.
I see.
A bit break you down.
Enti me bisa wo no nyina se na be ya obi a wotie yen na ono so pese obi adwuma ebeti ase se unya no rousey sa eduru ba bia emu be den unya akukuduro ne ye ka se ko bi adwuma no nyame ye wadom na wutumi bia afi ubie wi a ube face reality no.
Very true.
Hono na obehunu se ne na wo twotworo book mu ne sono no. Ne na wo de wano ka ne sono no. Practically no.
Practically.
And be kire say we ni ne ayekoso ankasa.
Yeah, once Obuoba, once pizza no, it deals with taste. And it's a recipe. Me once last year me catch say me from me I'm a recipe. I wasn't using the recipe obia yuzu or mami pizza no very different from everybody. Unti mean fa obi and ne ochna 1 week na man enko yejuma. You need to train the person. Mostly not the me say if I employ more than one staff, and she say in case I have to lose one, may employee will be for na wabe tua adie for at least a month. And sana meet me amano. Free will say, okay, now you can prepare pizza for my customers. Because and first year no, I lost all like my 2 staff I'm a beginning and school. Oh. Enti ebe wild mama pa.
Enti me nia wo kana mahu say number 1 challenge I will go through staffing is a major thing. Enti so I don't know, me I like to work with people at least on my school kakra. And yes say I can't work with people who haven't gone to school, but I know say that kind of understanding, that kind of as a foundation
no hold that
you just have to build on
because measurements and how you have to be able to apply a certain kind of wisdom kakra. Maybe in my absence so me here be a bit to apply some wisdom kakra say they be adewe, you know. Boss new, but me any say beboa because mostly I'm not always available in the shop, and to me training we are, and if I supervise you for a while and I know say you are good at, I can also attend to other things and be supervising you. And to say taste no unya changing stuff na affect you taste obi beba with top is and ekoyi or china enkoyi what you say no who sell business no. And you better say we close it down. And to me, first year, I think say the 6th, 7th month, I think 7th month, I closed down for about 2 weeks. I closed down for about 2 weeks because now it's better say make close it down than say we better tell me pizza now enkoye because bad publicity is spread it fast. Saying good publicity.
Good ones.
That one there.
Okay, so it means semi shame juma semi yeah. And yet necessarily say wo die ya wo ye but any business bi a mesha say me ye no eduru ba bi na challenges ne ba make me apose kakra
o hwe o business no na o pose e be boa wo brand na because I believe say the ebema business bi agina na aye solid brand say obi bo iPhone ultimately say you are going for quality and you say ukoto iPhone be na enko ya you should know say
even the name iPhone no crack no and just say a phone papa
brand name very important
and so be cry na battery no cry you
what you say and you say ultimately build a good brand for a long period of time a boa business no than say o brand no enye stable and then enkoye ochina ekoye and enkoye into me I felt say because of the nature of my business no it was advisable say me mfa obi a onim nimde fa ho ebe wo ho mini around and I say ebia me the best share sa obe say the nature me taste na me pen because obi beba obe so I meet my me 1 week meet my but ebia the way I open say ekono enkosa and to me I felt say the nature of my business no it was better say pause
now I say I gather
I paused and trained before until time I was doing my 10 me and I was there for a while training someone till the person was able to learn fast and I make sure say my staff are me journey there or capable me per se obi a on sheda anye capable ebeda me business na no yes na it has a way we are say business no ukra onim ubon say as time goes on your how do you call it
papa na
the demand the demand becomes it reduces but the more demand they come from as I say bibi enkoye what you say and it's better say obe pause na wa back wa coming back better than say you still remain to spoil brand and to me and I feel say is best but it depending on business kwa obi ye and ebia ya the ton keke na ton one maybe it's better you can continue with an amateur but nature of business no would demand what you
pause yeah I was so pause
I believe I believe so
I see enti your name Michael Tete ono na oye CEO our that Pizza House ano eno no wachim wodan ha ya baby ya duru odwumadi ne so no se na medical ka ho asema che dada no entrepreneur hour ye ne wo mo anyame awo madom matimi abiebio mu nyuma they are very young but omo anhwe na omo ankasa abi wo mu meja ni omo apushi ama na omo abiebia adwuma a enkrofo nam so omo bi enti yetie de oka staff meaning obi ye no otumi fa nipa ba komunu bi wa ma obi adwuma ye enti si awo staff saying
right now I have about 3
na say enipa nyina te say wona obi a bie na obi a fa 3 a say ke mfa bed nkoto aban so
exactly
all right enti na ehu behia say utie yen we young the last time na ka kire say we university
yes sir
nka sa bring ka what office a work brofo because Ghana bebre no a say o aim no
yeah good but say unya opportunity and you feel say office was it obi o ha need any office it depends on the person obi o ha okusua geomatic engineering ana ne passion nyina ewo GIS ne geomatic na ne passion wo nti obi sa no unya officer obe excel faster and easier but obi o so our passion to do business but ogusu train employment and no and a hard drink but unya opportunity to work fine but if you don't I don't think that you have to waste all your years just thinking and applying and you have to start something because I mean time when you
will be on the side
what you say
I see enti ebidom so asem mo kan say na ye kan mi de minya ya nka me ye adwuma o but capital no
I think that Ohona Obuoba one because minim say you be challenges so na some of the challenges and no ne major once ultimate and share adwuma bia say en sapan you can't start business like with no funding no money until say a challenge mawa and no na ma sa pause ne sa unable inability for people to be able to start businesses,
their own businesses,
coming in place, no. And that is a major factor. I think it's the number one factor to be an entrepreneur, like funding, source of funding. So uni BBA, and mostly, if you are privileged to go to school now, national service, or start national service, I think that is the best platform to start because I know they only say 1 year you get salary.
Okay.
And to beginning, you have to start planning right from beginning, like month one. And then you know that, Charlie, I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. Say, me we school, me we NSS. The moment I'm here, no, you might be the whole train. No, if you think that way, then you are already thinking to be a failure. And you have to have a plan right from then to start saving because we school a better than so so if you they are fine. And if you start planning from there, every month you have to put down something for 12 months. Then it becomes your source of funding for whatever idea you want to start. But it becomes difficult. School, obi anfa untna no obi in first
Baby
is 1 in a million. And he said, if you have an opportunity, work with school, say unko school po. Now there is a way to save. You have to plan to save for a while. Say 4 years, can I'll be saving to start saving. Because you see, as a fashion, trending things about so too much. Or be up so cry iPhone. Or be up say or talk sneakers. Or be up into Emma. You set here unnecessary competition. What I say? Into idea. iPhone a crowd and case ubeti media share bibi mu no o de sika no o de baka go to iPhone a crowd
eno na me basu biom say yes I know say na source of capital na e dey share businesses as no din Ghana ha but was searching na me dream say me pese me bie pizza
debi
enti eno hu sika na me pe ana se bi nya pizza company ni sika kra no a I can begin with something.
Obuoba step by step. Man started to see on the way a pizza house there. And yes, I me start here. Me start here no me the plastic chairs that start here. Me start here no me the curtains. And I start here. You see I me sliding doors. You don't need to start perfect, but you need to start. You need to start well. So start here. I think the main thing you have to focus on is the quality of the business or the shares, but not necessarily say the quality of your place, because you might not get that 50,000, 100,000, 200,000 to begin a business and start it well. What I say, but you may have 10,000, you may have 5,000, you may have something. Then you build your brand from there. With that saving thing in mind, say, ube saving to invest back into the business. And she said, "Oh, Jane said, I saw now see Kenya we and son and wash us here. And Obuoba Obesha say we don't know what I say. And kakra.
Yes, inti na me bisa say, oh yes, say we be pizza house. Now or any alternative say, okay, say my home work so pizza house na. We will be before for may here, but it is part of the dream.
Okay, me mom dear, a pizza no, and me person me start. And no one and me focus was. And he ska kakra me nya no, and no one and me de shame. It wasn't perfect. It wasn't perfect. Me de fee in your macra ebe kan ho. Oh, me wo akonya we wo fie me wo table wo fie na mafaba na we kakra de boma na sika kakra na wo no na eno so a support nti eno na me de sha say but o hwe wo ho na o hwe say me de start e bia mobile money business bia for the first year metimi nya sika say but e bia na anye adwuma ma but me I believe in small beginnings. That every major brand in this world started small. And he said, say who shall say na bibia glamorous emawa and you can't achieve what you want to achieve.
I see. I see. Afei, my next question be say oba pizza ya unse na no krampo obi ofre ye kra won sheda kra nim na de ban. Na odi ba a community like that.
How now about feasibility studies no coming into play no because on say would introduce you be fufro ama environmental unye sure say e be acceptable. Don't do it. Because may consider the working what do you call it, school students, workers and officers.
That's a target now more of corporate
to start with. At least that's where I started.
Okay.
And to may call offices to office.
Okay.
Schools. It could be something. We want to start a pizza shop next month. What do you think? A idea money bedje and a lot of people were like, "Oh, Charlie, I want to say we say ofaka kwa Accra, I go to pizza ban." And I'm saying, "Wow, I say yeah, pizza idea na nije ho." But onya bi o town we him. Inti otimi faka kwa Accra. Inti so you need to find out. And you say what you are crying to you need to find out say business e be acceptable. My name is Sofudi who come up for months. I find out say what do you think?
It's also so inquire of the Lord.
Yeah. You have to I believe say you have to be prayerful. You have to pray about it. You have to pray concerning what you want to do. And if it is right, you have an inner feeling to begin. And aside that, do your feasibility study. Will it be feasible? Will it be acceptable to have that business in a certain kind of community? Say be a business now or person or starting. Who dream no Accra ekoye into the bar ekoye but what the bar no enkoye ma. And you have to find out. And inquire.
Okay, into geographical area beyond the challenges.
Exactly. There are some banks that are not in order. I won't be surprised because their feasibility studies assures them say if they come, they won't work like they want to. And any business beyond a company beyond a order. What you say? Accra, Kumasi, any company beyond a and you have to find out say. We know me the bar be drive and I ain't drive. You have to spend months doing that.
All right. Inti niebe ne say ye besan possible won. Na ya metifu bi kwan omo ma sha se frefre dada na bia no bi wo question bi opese obi sa yen. O ye obi a won so pese o hye wo ankasa wadwuma se. Anopa yi nkoma ye die ni nyina no ye botae ne se ye de be hye wo nkran memo abamu mu. O sofo bi ka tell se wo sha se no e be yie akwakosi awie ya woboa. Eduru baby ebe chia kakra eduru baby a ebe koyie saa ni nyina part of it, but the best thing na wo mu nyina ne se ubenya gidie na wetu anamon obetimi atwere gubukum meye we obetimi de wano akeka kire nkrofo, but when tu anamon no a bra forget it de bia obefre edidi mpanimfo atem na so na solution wo wankasa wo ho enti ema etiefo no ebi kwan mu a most of more question bibi say be a so you are into the business already and one or two challenges be opportunity obetumi afra ba bisa eye question no na yetumi dia no ye dia ma 0201 944485 and 0554820910 0554820910 Freddy Bar na onso so question no wetumi dia ba break kwa ni mu so ye de number de betu dwa number wo ye entrepreneur won so wo be friend ye di nkomo wa kire ho production no etike blue ana fe yama kwan no aba na ye de nkomo twetwe na be hyehyɛ so ye ne openia oda pizza house ano wo akyem odan na ebo nkomo na na no man ofre ye pizza no kra wo se we nim ade kode yeah, nkrofo bi ba ho no mo just to come dey na mo ye wa ha uchi no o say no so ye dey ba dey u share bi won
e share bi pa
ma me nkwa ho ma ni so mbra me pa cho din be wa kase free Begwan pa chinti o
ano pe de yankopon shira mo no nka mo I'm in fact in Chia more than my endings from 24 award and from my
big one, eh?
Who
be bisa question afa entrepreneur ho ana obey politics. And at the end politics why me that say. And at the end politics why? Yo yenti we.
Because of what came. On team, we know where from. But you said to me, can another one up and nominate your son on West from. But on my dinner, man. At the end, I best rest on the started program. Only come from telephone on into the answer.
Yo.
So, I found on my start, I am analysis on it. Because I said, anybody from Quao. So, we will be on to me at the any radio, at the heart of Motor came once. And generally, I decided I made it to me.
Yo, yet, that's be going the idea banano. And then the politics and agent were quam. The patcho, we didn't be able to free.
Yes, sir,
D10, yenti where?
Yeah, I told you.
Yo.
It's a big one.
Big one. Oh. Yeah, I do so.
Obuoba, the master find it, my family, the master found.
Okay, yeah, that's it. And their politics if we need at 2 manum, a jenny or quam, sanity. Yes, you my no. We might do it also as free.
I send food
and nim back up. Piao, happy birthday in command.
Thank you.
So, and I will be seeing Kunya.
And then you mean you say, me try, I don't put in your be on for like the live by live or more than a family so.
Yati.
You are funny, dear Mila. Men and a baby. What's your power?
Imagine so.
Maybe I'm your cousin, so I'll sit you. And I remember Nania on to our child.
Na wakwe yi ase ana infan wakwa awoto nchia bebrebe.
Oh, now I had almost a min jam or winter as a mate no. One no kasa na make come on.
Yo mate.
You have a way no always do na ba. We have no beyond nya adwen timi de bia dwumo. Obi akọ university akọ here nya bo degree. By you kra no evenzembu. And chance here you kra no nto bi da. Edini ya mia buana na bia egma tinye bia eduma e se bona baso. Na ehwe nkunan so afoforo no onya se ko school go school so a wuti bia eduma. Obi a mana gwen nya eduma Ghana na e won de efre ni to aban so. Obi a mana gwen nya eduma no wotin keka ne sase ana se wotin enkreti bi o so be ye be board wan kasa no ho ene na busia. Wodi nyame nya eduma.
Nyame enka ho.
You go to Americans, no. They try my check the life by life. We have family and many so.
Yate. Me pacho we didn't be on so kase free.
Me pacho taxi driver betray.
Abutray yenti we.
Yo, an opera there and check a share and come only Yabra or Mudi Madia kase at the box of mine. Now, we find check a search papa, Uluma, Billy Mine, Mr. Denchi, or Sio Papa, and rather don't you feel that ya. And opera Yabeda Yabra Nasti, there would be a Juma Cassia, a Jinson, a bois. My see, I know a boy better must papa go, Madame do a hano. I know you and Chassia, see the Domin Putoba or man and a couldn't in the Pamu for saying Putoba in the air with my blabon media, a mission papa. Now, said there, my answer to dear, am I and you say this, you man, Mochi. Now, you my dear Moody, a book of man, and you said you're getting up what Mubian and son of man, Yamishan papa, and Grandpa, when you did work, I'm a young money business and a day.
Yame and council, but on a week to a dinner because free. We patrol Nyami Admo now swear.
Adumo Nampato, Apujo Honomo.
We patrol ye general manager or hapa.
Kaja is the chama 3 hours or Chiano. No matter. Me bo omo abaso papa 99.9999%. Listen, sir. And you'll be no baby, you more better. Obey young for so many. Oh, that is easy. And so much more was somebody said you must swim quandary. You book to get your Asada at your mouth.
Said Omacano, almost so many so, then yes, I say, yeah, Baba Kiss Omokoyano, did you say, and if Munya, not Omunya,
opening Nyabotre. And come on, why you didn't with you, and I'll be never born money.
The part of the view.
Now, maybe I didn't know medians as will be the diamond, it will be the Abana, also be.
I the part of what the patch up, and I don't make a leap. We want somebody to tell me Saturday, you know. The patron is what you say.
Yeah, they are yeah, dear. Oh, there be, yeah, focus. Hey. Oh, Debbie. 80, yeah, but the ame pese, o mani to a tear food, Trimana will be a woody and Trimana say, Onu subit to me, I am an aye. And woman is uncle on to see my pet. Oh, story. Oh, shall see, they said you go through Sanya Maya can hang in. Obi tie onya obe to me obey bi. But I could do the bit 2 and more. What is saying in Nipan and Casa, na fi yamfa common in see.
Okay, Obuoba medase. Na me pese me ka challenges mienu bi eka ho.
Okay.
One say on my eye team, every week be prices cost. Ain't like there's always a constant change in market pricing, and economy is so stable, sir. Minim say aban bi obeba so bia no sa na be. There will always be a change or an increase in something one way or the other. And that is the major thing I believe say affect a lot of businesses. Obuoba na talk cheese box for 420 cedis. You see I talk cheese box 950 cedis. Hey, what difference no? And you say all this factor way ebe your pricing why you careful u demand be come from automatically. And market market nankasa no market pricing the way our economy net why you careful we ube to a business mo. And I believe said business there a planning. Okay. Like and you say obi aye bin to baby you need to because challenges no o start here ebeba. Oye den ebeba. One like and you don't have to give up. You have to learn. Also and you have to be learning. Your taste, your pricing, how you adjust yourself to current economy and market factors a war system. And because me like this, I purchase almost all my things in Accra. Transportation, pricing.
They can't adwuma na no ho a obi akura ntimi
metobi one careful you factor everything in your pricing. Now at the end of the day you won't get your demand. Business no the into boasie understanding cry kind of saying you have to understand, plan, and when you begin start here challenges it will keep coming. You see we don't have any business that they don't have challenges. And that means business they are not doing well. Once your business is growing it will come with challenges. And yes, I will find means and ways you will be able to face those challenges. You will be able to counter those challenges so that your business can stay. And what I want to advise everybody is say and I think so it needs planning and it needs savings. You have to continuously save. You have to continuously plan. Planning na obey no. And yet the same planning na ochina na obey. What you say? Ebi any planning say me ABCD. Ochina no ABCD no emfa. So you know Q Y BB. What you say? Enti eyesa oti say planning no you always have to find out what is
the new thing.
You understand? What is happening? What is the new thing? What's changing? What is affecting the businesses? What is affecting the market value of things? The economy. Then you
just
factor it into your planning.
I see. Yeah, that's be but a bit more munya omo beba no. E yo ma dwene say obeba just say wutie sika nsa. Oba ya ju sika.
I think say this is a me person me commend Obuoba because I was surprised we invited and it was free, and I think there's a platform to market Pizza House too. Because a lot of people know about us, but any bia or da manso ne asene ne wherever and it's a platform to advertise this business. It's a platform to also help us to broadcast us. And I want to commend you, Madam say. You buy no much duty and fine. My time and merit to also advertise ourselves. And it's a platform. May encourage you be our outside entrepreneur, be our outside. Say you should take advantage of this. It's an opportunity, and it won't last forever. And you take advantage.
So that's papa say ya tun sa frɛ wo bai obi anka obeka say me kɔ ha me tu kwan ne keka ho that's bebre na wo mu anso a yɛbɛsan aba bɛhwɛ ba bia business na agro ni aba bedi mu nkomo nti anɔpɛ de that's ya tun sa frɛ wo bai all right nyame nhyira won so nti ye ne CEO de Emma Pizza House na etwetwe nkomo no utie yen na so oyɛ entrepreneur bi wo ba bia ɛyɛ wadwuma sɛ wo be make sure sɛ wo be frɛ number we yɛyɛ de yɛbɛtumi ane sɛ yɛ ma wo platform no yɛnyɛ wo hwee bra come share your story with us na encourage you omo aka wa akyire hɔ no mo number ni 0543 155519 0543 155519 and I say 0593 346557 0593 346557 we ni number be friend na yetumi agye wo so general manager say me wish happy birthday enko bium emfama Dr. Isaac Fifia Santi Ejein medical officer Odan government hospital ehonomo and I was live to be 93.3 and beyond from ono and ohima anope yomo so omo we show happy birthday sanso na inshira ba ntia mo anso de wo message abaye da say for coming through so wachima bo aboye da say bibre nyankopɔ ya dom a ochina ye to aso. So on behalf of the team, Odian Kwame Abua being the executive producer, Jumpa Kofi Mensah, a lead producer, ably assisted, a Kobe K, Kwame Asante or Heneba Michael, Billy Man, and in charge of technical Nina. Me or Fremi or Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. The Commander General and Suruja Bakwayaka Kotokumeyo. I don't pay me the media. See, Hanyami Admo China near Koyi, we are about to Yanko Yen watching Abianti, so Tiasi Nipa Nefum, a Nipa, and a Diche. Yawa that's watching. Say Yesu Ama.
Thank you.
Adesima mamunyina mu HBM sama makwaba edeba ajatum kasafidie ahenkan 93.3 FM so o hwa wa kire bre na chese eye anopa no ndu abo apawon simano polepole eye enan eye ene awia pem to bre akan kasebo awodo de ba besumo ne anwumre no osia ede de ba bedan wo no eye ni de animu ensem awodo betwa aguo aba begu ye na proso de ba bedan wo na sabia sinkonya ye de emu entity ho ede ba bedan we midin no ede adwen pan ne Kofi Mensah adwen papa na papa ende wanimu kan na ensem no die ebedi makoche ebi enisa torrentam boafo ekuo no nadmu wanemo ede atodwa kirem so bibiara enhwe na wanya hwe ye pa wabre so ye wura nsu totomu no ayade se wose ye hwe na ye boabo no ma ano na ba bia wose ye de bibia to so ye de ato sere be nkofo ye ne emma mu nkiremu ye de ba Ghana man panyini abede kire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so hwe se obepa adwumade bi entoma ato din se National Security Citizens Education Campaign na eno be boa se de be ya bambo nsam ne betima ya nkyerɛkyerɛ ne akasankasa yetimi aboa ho so eba na timi aboa ye pa emu nkyeremu ye de eba na sanso na Dr. Henry Kokofu ono enkane so no amrahye badwane wo bantoma batom pesu so panyina kasa enso echem sa Ghana ahanum na ye won 77 producer yesu ba bi ne ye boni bi a ensem fatatemamufo eno ka obi ena nsuo to na eyiri ede efa ye no opanyini be kyerɛkyerɛ ne nsemu ewo awia pam to bra kan kase bomu anasa nwumre no sia enso ede emu na opanyini ba ko so bibia manyo kodimo akotre pa lawyer Obribo ayen so akasa de atudwa echrem se
ɛyɛ owura Sergio wanya ne baabi ɛkɔ ɛyɛ ne nsamansia krata ne na montene ɛso amanfo bi kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ no wakasa ɛde afa ho sɛmba ne ɔde tudwa awia pɛm to bere anasɛ ɛyɛ nwumre no osia mu yɛde mu ankyere mu ɛde ba bɛdan wo na napco trainees fo so esu pa wɔn musu ɛsɛ noma mu ayɛ den ɛde ama wɔn ti abanhwɛ na wɔnom so ɔnyɛ noma betimi aboa mo ase trem akɔnkan ɛmfa ɛma wɔnom ɛde ɛpɔte na wɔnom ka ho asɛm yi ɛmu ankyere mu yɛde bɛba bɛdan mo na ɛmrase badwafo so ne dai wɔnom bɛfiri asiasa akɔ ase tena wɔn so bɛdi Easter no afen ɛna wɔn se akɔ ase tena temu nkyere mu ɛnso yɛde ɛbɛba ɛde ama wo na sanso so ɛnane yɛbɛhwɛ ɛyɛ akyem ɔda electoral areas ahodoɔ makomako ensia bi a wɔnom nsa etimi ɛkan yɛ mrahye badwani ɛyɛ ne common fund yi bi mɛkyerɛ wɔn manyamfo Alexander Kwasi akwa ne common fund a wɔ ɔtekyɛ de ma wɔnom ana no ɛsom Ghana cedis no 8400 no wɔde ma assembly members no so mu fandi dwuma sɛ na dwuma die na akwa koduro ɛno nso so mu nkyere mu yɛde ɛbɛba yɛde ani bɛkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ayerebi abato mpesua so na ayerebi wɔnom no ɛna yɛbɛhyɛ ahonidie ensɛm so sɛdeɛ se betie ɛnso so ɛwɔ hɔ wei ɛne ensɛm ahodoɔ a yɛde mu enkyim ba bɛdan wɔ wadaroma awia pɛm to bere na nwumre no nsia ɛya no atwa bɛ kasa fidie ne de mu nkyere mu ɛnso so ɛde adan wɔ mekɔ efo ayɛ krado kwabra kɔstie ne na pamfo ɛtoa so adwuma ɛde ama medin no ɛyɛ adwen pahene